Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Oh yeah!
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh time. Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk of the Kingston.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get a beard with the same Raga.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Don't you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Check. All right, big up on yourself and people big up on yourself. Ragashanti live on IrieJam radio and thing. You understand? It's all about a Friday night. Yo, people, I'm at the cool running pound so sudden. I'm at the cool running pound so sudden. I'm mad thing out there, man. Yo, yesterday it warm, and today, well, it's not freezing, you know, but the sudden change and all these things and sickness and thing and well, may I tell you, I know it's enough people love seasons, you know. You love the seasons, Prezi? You love the seasons? Ah, boy, and my thing, you know, the seasons and my. I love New York, you know, don't get me wrong. I love New York, but boy, the season thing and whatever, I can't, that cold something and thing, I can't do without it, you know. Right? I can't do without it and thing. The poor little munchkins, them start sound out already and all these things and whatever, when the cold knock them in the morning yeah, this morning and all these things. And so you go big up on yourself, people, big up on yourself. People like woman and a man there for 3 years. 3 years. She just celebrate her 40th birthday. She just celebrate her 40th birthday. A man tell her, say, you see them short up shots, say, where you have to stop wear them now, you know. So she tell him, say, wait, so where that come from? He must say, nah, you're a big man now, you're gone in your 40s now. If you stop wear them short up shots there, whatever. So she said, but then I like say you see me wear them go a road. Me not wear them go out on the road and all. Him said, no, but you wear them in the yard and all them something there and you wear them round and thing. But she said, but are you a see them? And I like my out in the yard all the while with them. Is you a seed? No, and then him say like them have one corner store near to where them live. And more time she would go down at the corner store. But she said most of the time when she wear up a short up clothes, she said she in at the house with him and him a seat. And sit now, one or two times she may go down at the corner store or she may in at the yard. But she say, I don't like a regular thing that. So him there they press. And then she go say, yeah, I'm going to send a ring for my finger, So I don't know you come and tell me about me not for wearing them shorts and whatever. And like him say, what you say? And she said, I'm going to send a ring for my finger. So him go say, so weird. So whether or not we married, I go decide whether or not you stop wearing them shorts there. And she said, me not send a ring for my finger, so me no want you tell me what figure, whatever this and that. And the general bend for that. Because the general say, yo, that not right. Whether or not them I get married or marriage proposal make, the general say, that shouldn't have anything to do with whether or not she fi wear shorts. Well, in my opinion, I don't think him really understand certain things about woman, I not say she wrong or she right. I not say she wrong or she right. But what I say is, him say him not see the connection. And again, I not say she wrong or she right. People don't want to beat me. I am not saying she's either wrong or she's either right. I'm just saying, him say him not see no connection between what him say to her and when she go flip the thing upon him and go say, me not see no ring upon my finger, and I say, right, I know I wear what I want to wear. What do you think I go on this people? More like, only give me full explanation what I go on. Right? So the two of them there for 3 years. She just celebrated her 40th birthday. Prezi. Them say, my sound distorted online. Remember that something there, so I don't know. Turn it down or something, yeah? You remember that thing there where? Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, people. Prezi, I deal with it. Okay. Okay, Prezi deal with that thing, so probably it was sort out. And so, them there for 3 years. She just celebrated her 40th birthday. The man I tell the woman, say she have 40 now, she will stop wearing them short up, tight up shorts there. She responded by saying, and I like say she go out in them or anything or whatever, and when she wear them, it's primarily around her house or thing or whatever. Him say, yeah, but you go down to the corner store too, and she said, yeah, but, 1 and 2 times we just go down to the corner store and come back, not just the right there, so. But we just wear the shorts, them round the house and round the yard or whatever, and you a see them. And him a said, no, you're big man now. You have to stop wear them shorts, then him a put on them foot. And I say, yo, I want them shorts if you stop wear, man. Them shorts if you stop wear, you're a big man now. And she just, in turn, just say, yeah, what tell them I send a ring for my finger, So me I go wear what me want to wear, I not send a ring for me, not send no ring for my finger. So me I go wear what me want to wear. You understand? And his response is, well on, what ring for your finger, whether or not we get married, have to do with where we just talk about with the shorts. So would I like you to tell me I want to go on this one. What is your how best would you explain how best would you explain what is happening there and why the argument reach right there, Cheryl Bless post and say I agree with her, right? Right? How best would you explain what go on right there, sir? And again, I'm not making an argument for her or making an argument against her. I'm just saying him don't see the connection between she and me not see the ring by my finger, you know. And the discussion about she being at 40 and him want her to stop wear them tight up shorts there. Must be some pum shorts or something. Right? What do you think? No, well, I think there's a connection there if you know how women think when it comes to certain things, right? So, I don't think you might understand that, but how best you could have explained Wagwan, right? No, Kill Devil Hills and things. Alright, big up yourself, right? How best you explain Wagwan, right? But I don't know, so the first hour right here now was all about USA and, you know, big up the people who are here the show up on IrieJam Radio all over New York City and beyond. Upon the respective apps, them and all these things. IrieJam 360 page on Facebook and YouTube and all over. Big up on yourself. All right. 888-546-8742. Yeah, we're up. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Somebody from New Jersey said, she have all right to make that statement. Age is just a number. Me agree with her. The nerve of him take 3 good years of her life. Plus, no man I tell her to change her dressing. That is a woman from Jersey. I said that. Right? Again, the woman from Jersey said, Miss Adri said, she have all right to make that statement. Age is just a number. Me agree with her. The nerve of him take 3 good years of her life, plus no one tell her how to change her dress. Boy, it's interesting when people there with somebody and them say the other person take years out of them life, auntie. That is always interesting to me how people say that. Like you're there with somebody for a time, but you say the person who you're there with, that person take. I hear Jamaicans talk like, well, I know Jamaicans alone, you know, but again, you know, Jamaican, I grew up around there. But I hear people talk like that all the time. You made a choice to there with somebody. And then, and you're there with the person and you make a choice to stay with them. And you hear people end up and say, 5 years of my life, me give her. 5 years of my life, me give him. Like, what you mean you give the person 5 years of your life? Or you made a choice to there with somebody. It may work or it may not work. But what you mean you give the person 5 years? Or you give the person 3 years or 8 years or however long? Anyway, give me a call, President. Give me a call. We have only a call here. Give me a call. Hello. Greetings. Wagwan. Hello.
Greetings.
Yes, greetings.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm calling from Bronx, New York.
Bronx, New York.
What is he talking about? He's a yeah. What is he talking about? He's a jackass. He don't marry to her.
So,
he don't have any ties to her. What is he telling her to take off her shorts? She have a right to wear her
no,
shorts.
him never said take off. Him said stop wear those type of shorts. So let's be clear. Him never said take off. But go on. Yes, yeah.
Yeah, but he don't have no right to tell her that she wear anything she want to wear. She's not his wife, and he takes away 3 years of her life. Why she live with him so long without a ring? He has no right to tell her that.
No, but darling, could you help us to understand?
He has no right.
What you mean him take 3 years? Could you just explain what like she there with him? Remember say she chose for there with him too, you know.
With him.
Yeah, she chose for there with him and
Yeah.
him chose. The two of them chose today. What you mean he took away 3 years of her life? What you mean by that?
Her life. Because why she lives with him for 3 years without married. And he coming to demand her to change her lifestyle or dressing.
Hold on. You
don't know how women think?
Okay.
You don't have any experience of women?
Okay, him drop the catch there, so him drop the ball right there, so. But again,
Yeah.
but tell me something now. When you say why she there with him for 3 years and not get married, about how long on average a woman supposed to there with a man, and if she not get married, she's supposed to leave?
2 years is a long time. 2 years is enough, and she gone over 3.
Oh, so if a woman there with a man for 2 years and the man don't make some move to get married to her and thing, that woman for leave that relationship then, right?
Because nothing in there for her.
Okay.
I don't see anything in there for her because in the space of 2 years, you guys live together. You're supposed to learn about each other.
Right.
If you want to get married, or
Right.
if you want to stay together or whatever.
Right.
You know?
Right.
You have. I think about we live together, you know, so we're supposed to study each other.
Right.
It's not that you're coming to visit me and I'm coming to visit you. We live together.
They
So
live
when you
together. Yeah, them
with
live together.
somebody,
Them live together, yeah.
Yes, you study each other and know if you want to be a husband and wife together.
Oh, so if they were married, right? If they had gotten married or if he had proposed and they had gotten engaged, is it that one, he would have more more rights to make a suggestion about the shirt we shall wear, or two, is it that hold on, or two, is it that she would be more receptive to him then, if they were married or whatever? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, she would be more receptive to her husband.
Okay, so basically, as a husband, you have more rights to talk to a woman about what she wear than if you're not husband. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes.
Okay. But would that make a difference? Go on.
It make a big difference. She could be my daughter because I am 73. I'm not a young woman. I'm 73.
Yeah, 73. Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And she could be my daughter because I have daughter her age.
Right. So if them did married now and the husband said, boy, something I like the shots, the way them shots, the way I wear, you're 40 now, so more you stop wear the shot. If them did married and her husband I said that to her, then what you think? She should have stopped wear the shots them then?
Yes, you have to obey your husband.
Oh, okay.
He doesn't like that. He doesn't like that, so you have to obey what he says.
She would have to obey her husband then. If them get married and him don't like them shots where she wear and him tell her say him not like them shots and them married, and she would have to obey her husband and stop wear the shots them. Right?
Of course.
But you're sure? Because in them days, I can hear quite a few women listen to you and I say, no. Even if them did married and thing, she not so I feel all right if she want to wear the shorts same way. Even if them did married. What you say to that?
I know everybody have different views. I know that.
Right.
But I am saying that everybody have their own views.
Yeah.
Somebody would say something different from what I am saying. But I think the right thing is if we were a wife and husband and he asked me to stop wearing them.
Right.
I said, you know what, my husband doesn't like this.
Okay.
My husband doesn't like this. So you know what? To keep the peace, I am gonna obey what he says.
Obey. It's an interesting word you use right there. Obey. All right, I could hear what some other people say, but thank you for that input here. Yeah, man.
Okay.
All right, darling. You take care, Putos. Good. Okay, give me a next caller, President, because I want to look like it. I go pepper.
Yes, Raga.
I want to look like it have some Scotch bonnet vibes about it. Greetings in the night, yeah. Wagwan.
Yes, Raga.
Greetings, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, no, tell him no. Me cannot hear the radio. Well, I cannot hear the radio in my background. Here, see that them turn it off or you move her from it. And that applies to everybody who call it. Yes, greetings. Yeah.
Greetings, Father Raga. Give thanks and praise, more life and prosperity and blessing. That's a very good topic, First, I want to touch upon one of the topic first. When one day that man.
Yeah.
And look how time we waste them. And what time me and them there and them supper there. You see them supper there? It's a kind of typical stereotype where them stereotype relationship nowadays, And like one time, you have a good relationship where everybody could communicate on a level. Now, the women nowadays on communicate old-fashioned technology style.
No, but it's a general thing,
yes,
though. But and I must admit, it's mostly used by women, and it's very often used in the context of leverage, right? In order to say, I gave you something, you owe me. But I find it to be an interesting statement to make when people there and somebody said, 3 years me give him, 3 years me give. They gave the person something. I'm a little bit different. I have some difficulties reconciling that with the fact that this person chose to be in a relationship because they were benefiting from that relationship in some way. So how is it that you gave the person 3, 4, 5 years out of your life? You were in it together.
Come on.
It wasn't about charity.
Yes, and then,
you never give the man or the woman nothing.
No.
Me not understand it.
It's like a preference. Like you're giving a preference, like, okay, this I did for you and I did this for you. No. You know what I mean?
No, because the implication is you owe me. Your implication is you owe me. You took 3 years out of my life. You take 4 years out of my life. Me must have something for sure in return. You owe me something. That is the construction of the argument right there, so you know. You understand? And I'm saying, is it there some arrogance inherent in that? Like, you should be lucky. I gave you 3 years of my life. You owe me. Yeah.
Yeah, there's arrogance in that. The arrogance is coming now.
Yeah.
They always talk about people owe them, but what about they owe us? What about when time we take them up and all they regret us when them moving forward, and then when we put them on a foundation level, they leave us sliding from the foundation
okay,
level.
so yeah, so when man pick up woman and them do nothing, and the man do nothing for the woman, and if the woman want to leave, them say, it's my right to leave when I want to leave, irrespective of what you did for me, don't it? So them leave when them want to leave, that you say, right? And then and the woman them not, at that point not say, oh, I took 3 years from you, so I shouldn't be able to leave like that, you know, after everything what you do to me. Because you say when woman want to leave, irrespective of what man do for them, okay. When man a fulfill a role as provider in a society and do this year, and then she can leave when she want to leave. Right? And she not, at that point, she not say nothing about how much years him give she.
No.
Okay. Oh, me see what you ask. Okay.
No. she not talk about the foundation where you put her upon, no. She say, Lord God. Because woman is not a woman now. You say woman sympathize with woman now. And their sympathy is so much sympathetic. So when you see...
No, well, and somebody just post and say, move your clock, sir. Most men want to drag women for years without marriage. So I was sweet about that. I make you laugh, so
because the reason why I laugh, because no matter how sweet what them say.
No, a lady from Philadelphia post that. A lady from Philadelphia. She said, move your cloth, sir. Most men want to drag women for years without marriage. What is your response?
You know, my response is that because most women are already married, but them keeping themselves under the cloud that no one can see. That they want to try to promise the man that, okay, I love you so much, but no woman have cloud and them closet like man, because enough man want to marry somebody, but then we're in a relationship. But then again, too, they got a look at me now. I'm married to a woman so long, but yes, I want to marry the next woman I'm with now, but I still can't make no move. And the woman who me want to marry right now, she not ready for me because she said, look much years me wasted you now, and all the time me put my energy and my trust and my everything I put in her. Now she feel like she should meet somebody else new online now. She up on this talk, you know. You know, I say, look what time I wasted there. No more find a better man, him more genuine. But the man who genuine, she don't know who she picking up. You know. She picking up somebody where she don't know is if she walking into a dark cloud.
All right, I think the grass not necessarily green up on the others. But let me take our next call quick here. Big up yourself here, sir. All right, big up yourself. Thanks for that input.
Dandy Shandy now.
Dandy Shandy man. All right, Dandy Shandy man. Big up yourself, Dandy Shandy. Sight them, Dandy Shandy man. Sight them. Next caller. Next caller, President. Next caller. Greetings. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Bless up yourself.
Cool family. Where you say? Yeah.
I want.
Yeah, talk up, yeah.
I want for them how kind of woman them I want to hear this we are living now.
What you mean?
Talk up. You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. You know, so you will deal with that woman and you have three people with them.
Yeah.
And them don't want to get married with and them don't want to get married. Them have them good job and whatever, and you was an upstairs or whatever, and don't want to get married to you. Look how much years you there with them. And them don't want to get, you can't force them to get married to you.
Oh, okay. So basically, I say, say them a give the impression say a man alone very often want to get married, but yeah, say you have woman out there who no want to get married to man and do all have several picnic with the man and them still no want to get married to the man. So it's like say woman have the freedom they finna get married when them no want married, but it's like say them want man to get married that just because woman they with them for 2-3 years, man to get married to them. And that yeah, say?
Yeah. So it don't work like that, Raga.
Okay.
It don't work like that. And the next thing, you can't tell a woman, say, well then, why stop with that thing because you know you want her to stop. If she don't want to stop with, you can't force her to stop.
Sure.
You understand? You can't. No woman not obey no man at them time. You understand me, Raga?
Yeah, because that word is strong. If you want woman to obey you, yeah. That's something there. That's something strong. But you don't know, hold on. But I could touch the first point where I make though, because you as a man, you as say the brother wrong. Even though him there with the woman for 3 years and she reach 40, him wrong for no what tell her what she can wear or what she not for wear and them something.
Me not say wrong, Robert.
You're not saying wrong.
Me not say wrong.
Oh, but are you suggesting that it's... hold on. Are you suggesting that it's not a good idea for him there to tell the woman what she for wear and what she not for wear just because him there with her for 3 years and she there fat and she reach 40?
No, it's a good idea. It's a good idea for that the type of man him is. You know what I'm saying? If the man don't want the woman show up certain things or whatever.
No, but you just said it before. You just said him should not say that to her. So you say it's a good idea now.
No, Raga. No. Me say him can't tell her what to wear. Him can't compel her.
Okay. I get what you're saying. No, I think you're focusing on the force part. Him can't tell her, but him can't force her. That's what you're saying? Okay, me see what you're saying. So no, wrong if him tell her based on the man him is, but him can't. What thing when we look a bit at Jamaica, we say, you remember this Mossambone and compound? You remember that? You remember Mossambone and compound? So him can't Mossambone and compound figure stop here or shot him. Issue no worry.
Me married to a woman for 5 years ago.
Yeah.
I'm tell her to stop bleach and she still a bleach. We can't tell her, we can't bone her to stop bleach and she have a youth fear. So not because she stopped this, me left her. Because me left her, me have to left with me youth and she don't want, and she not want me take the youth with her. So me stuck in a relationship. You understand?
Hold on. So if you never have a youth and you tell her to stop bleach and she not stop bleach, you'd have left her?
Yeah, I would have gone.
Oh, but true, she have the youth and you tell her to stop bleach, but she not stop bleach. You as a boy, you're stuck. You use the word stuck. But the reason why you say you're stuck in this relationship now with this woman who you're there with who are bleach and you want her to stop bleach is because you don't have a youth together and it's going to get complicated and complex because if you leave, you're going to leave with your youth. So in order for you to survive that, you just stay in the relationship. And that you say, right?
Yes, sir.
But let me ask you something then and tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. It sounds to me like you are not happy in this relationship. You're happy in it?
No, I'm happy now still enough because we get to more want and I mean, it's Irish still. But I'm not getting all my wishes.
Okay.
You understand? Because I deal with a younger girl. The girl is 30 years younger than me.
The woman who you're there with who have the youth for you, she's 30 years younger. The one who I bleach, she's 30 years younger than you?
Yeah.
Okay. How often she bleach? She bleach hard? She go hard with the rubbings?
She bleach. She said she not bleach, but I know she have bleach.
Okay. Okay.
You can't afford it. Eh?
And it obvious when you look on her, obvious she have bleach?
Yeah, it's obvious.
Okay. And you find that unattractive?
Yeah, Yeah, so I find attractive, but you know what I'm saying, you know, that the daughter, she's good looking and everything, but you know, they want to be brown. You understand?
Okay,
You know?
okay.
Yeah, so they want to be brown, you know what I'm saying? So in a situation like that, it's steep, you know what I mean?
Okay,
It's
about how old are you? I just want to have a little context. How old are you?
steep. I'm 73.
Oh, you're 73. Okay, all right. And she about 43 and a bleach and thing and have a youth together. Why, I don't know what to tell you, but I would suggest at this stage, yeah, man, it sounds to me like you do the right thing.
You want me to look on it now. You want me to look on it. Enjoy the time.
Yeah,
Enjoy
just
the
really,
time
yeah,
we
man.
have.
Yeah, nobody
You
stress
understand?
about it. Yeah, at this stage of your life, right, you know, I don't think you need any low it, yeah, man. It is what it is. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you just love it, I'm going to enjoy the moment.
Yeah.
You understand? Because you can't, you know, no fun in another petition, right? You know, I just assume it's a rush now, still. I don't like the bleaching thing.
All right, last question,
Yeah,
because we have to
you
take
know?
a break. We have to take a quick break. And I just want you to tell me, you know, Raga you deal with and things, so I want talk the truth. I mean, I want you to tell no lie. No. Don't tell a lie on your instrument. Don't tell a lie on your So you was a 73-year-old man who there with a 43-year-old baby mother with yourself. Tell me something now. You can't manage your work. You put it on panel good. You satisfy your...
Raga, me have the formula, Raga.
You have the what the formula? What the formula? What you drink? What you take?
No, we can't. We not agree to it.
No.
We not agree to it, Raga.
No, man. No, all right. Talk it
But we
through.
have the formula.
Hold on. Hold on, man.
Good.
Use a 3-minute man, a 2-minute man, a 1-minute man, and you give her like a half hour and an hour.
No, Raga, half an hour.
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
You still are going
20
good at
minutes.
half an hour. Yeah.
Still a go on good.
Prezi, it's 73-year-old man, wicked on you. You know what, the one Prezi I talk about a 10 minutes him work with, and use a half an hour, man. Prezi, what? Prezi, the man the man leave.
Half an hour.
Talking God truth. You know take no.
Half an hour.
Hold on.
20 minutes.
You know take no Viagra and no Cialis and them something. They talk it truth. Talk it truth.
No, I'm not give you the secret.
Oh, that mean you take it, but you're not talk, right? Okay, all right then, cool. No,
You say it, not I. What, Raga?
Yeah, what you say, Raga? You say it. You never hear that out of my mouth. Okay,
Raga.
me never say that. Okay.
Raga,
Yeah.
Raga, at this stage, you have a thing will come to help us at this time.
No, me tell people all the while, when my time come, me go have a room full of it, and me not hide it. Me I tell people, say, I take these pills. Okay. All right, we have to take a break here. Don't worry yourself here. We have to take a break here.
Rest of yourself, man.
All right, respect.
I don't know enough when I say, no, I
All right, respect. All right, people, we love the energy. We love all the show starter. We love the vibe. We have a break. We soon forward.
It's the Bridge 99 FM.
How you deal with?
Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Back in the juggling paper, Ragashanti live. Now the first one you don't know, so we're up on the big bad IrieJam radio, so in New York City. And thing wants a big respect to all our Jersey listeners, our Connecticut listeners, upstate New York and thing. Big up on yourself and thing. People, I have a lot of friends. I have several friends in Jamaica, probably not a lot, but I have several friends in Jamaica. We'll soon come back to the phone line and thing. And some of them, you know, I rate them, you know, for years and years and years. I rate them and thing. And there's one bridge, you know, and, you know, where I meet in the media fraternity and all this thing and whatever. And this man, he moves with a deftness, you know, D-E-F-T, and he has a deftness. He know how to stay above the fray of some of the craziness that goes on out there in the world. And he moves with a certain and almost he moves with a majesty that at times can appear a little bit deceptive due to his simplicity, right? He's a humble brother, a simple brother and thing, but at the same time he move with a kind of regal, him command a kind of, him have a sophistication to him, dispensation where he move with a thing and whatever, but at the same time him can just juggle with anybody from any background. So if you are indeed royalty, he can adjust around his language and thing, his knowledge of what is going on in the world or whatever, and him do it with a kind of ease and with a kind of ease, where very few people have that skill. And at the same time, him can meet a man or a woman from a deep rural part of the country and juggle with them same way. He has an everlasting smile on his face that has disarmed a great many people and made them feel comfortable in his presence. And additionally, he's very talented. This man has been working in radio for many, many, many years and thing, and go through some whole heap of ups and downs and never cuss off the people when he go through the ups and downs like a certain radio personality named Ragashanti did. Ragashanti him never ran for cuss out of it. This man not do them something. This man just conduct himself with a certain class and charisma and thing where is an inspiration to others, and he has been quite a good friend of mine, and a listening ear in times of in trying times. Sometimes I don't have to call him, he will call me and, how you doing, my brother? In that signature voice of his. And he has never been one to go out there and, he's not a flashy person. He's never been like that. Not a flashy person, nothing. Despite his phenomenal popularity over the years that he could have easily exploited, that currency that he has in his personal brand. And he has never done it. So I was mildly surprised, when I realized that this man is having his birthday parties in a couple of places and I think. And when I heard it, I said, about time. He should have done this a long time ago. If only for us to benefit from just, hanging out with him in a festive occasion. People, I speak of none other than my friend and colleague and a person of, like I said, of great inspiration. And I think, is he on the phone, President? Is he on the phone? His name is Richie B. We are semi-general.
Yo, Raga, I want Prezi to provide me with a copy of that tape, and I've been listening to that tape once per week at minimum for the next 10 years of my life.
God.
I'm into the business of introducing people, but believe you me, what you did a while ago, boss, I need to take some notes.
No, man, no. But you see, it was easy because it's all factual.
Yeah.
And a lot of people listening me right now and say, I true him that, for real, I Richie that for true right there. So then that is why it was easy. My brother, it's good to hear your voice, man. See?
Good to hear you. Good night to you. Good night to the listeners, to, of course, IrieJam Radio and Bridge 99. It's good to be here in New York City. Kind of cold still, my brethren. I never expect these kind of temperatures.
This is the first day of it. It was relatively warm, seasonal, and thing. And but today it made it made a dramatic turn. No? Even the meteorologists are saying that, oh no, we're quite a few degrees below normal right now, and thing. So welcome to what we have to deal with regularly.
Wow, no, New Yorkers might find it laughable when I say the place cold.
Yes,
but that is that's how I feel.
Richie having a party Sunday. I come Sunday evening. People, I'm telling them before. I'm telling people it's all about Richie B's birthday bash. first time ever in New York City this Sunday, 6 p.m. till 12 midnight. And you know we can go a little extra and all these things. Music by the legendary, another mutual friend of ours, DJ Roy and the Road International crew. And of course, another legendary friend of ours. And may I just instill a little caveat right here. This person, you have heard me said on multiple occasions, he has found the fountain of youth because him have a older man over St. Thomas who him talk to, and him look the same way now that he looked 30 years ago, and I'm going to ask Richie to either debunk that conclusion or to agree with it. His name is Glamour Wayne. Also, Dubmaster Chris, Dubmaster Chris and Richie Poo. Be a legend upon your party. People, it's at Mingles. It's at Mingles. $35 at the gate. You don't know it's a classy affair. This Sunday, 6 o'clock, I will be there. I just ask Richie permission. Richie, I wear a button-down shirt and a jeans. Can I get your permission for wear that?
If I know you well,
yeah,
and this way I go. but the other thing I'd say is
I'm gonna be honest with you.
Welcome.
Me I leave from somewhere in terms of managing the time. Me I leave from somewhere, and then me I say, hey, I have to stop at Richie party. So
Yeah, man. Welcome as you are, brethren.
Right.
Your name, you know.
Cool, no, man.
You know what I mean? So long as you won't feel, I'm sure you won't feel bad with the fact that many people will be there in them jackets. And
No. I'm okay. I'm okay.
You know the thing, go.
I'm okay. People, no, big and serious people. At this Sunday, Upper Mingles, the other Bronx, and of course that is 4012 Boston Road, Bronx, New York, and thing. This Sunday, 6 o'clock. People want to roll out for that one. Yeah. People, can I just tell them, say, I'm a brethren and Ragashanti fully endorse it. But people, we are talking about the icon, we are talking about the legend. Him never need the introduction or we give people. We are talking about Richie B. Richie, tell him tell him what is expecting at this party this Sunday.
Yo, the party I got shot. I mean, like I say, it's the first time I'm dropping a party inside of New York. I want to make sure that it's very, very special. The first thing I did is I linked up with the IrieJam family. I spoke to Bossy, Mr. Clark, Robert, a.k.a. Bobby Clark, and I said, Bobby, here's the plan. Bobby says, you have a great idea. I'm going to help to make it happen. And so we have formed a partnership to make this happen. We want to say big respect to the entire team, Irie Dale and the rest of the people that have been taking the streets and making everybody know about it. I stay at Jamaica and get like dozens of calls, especially when I do the connection with DJ Roy. We keep getting the calls. People are coming out. In addition to having those four giants playing music on the night, though, Raga, each of them will go home on that night, this Sunday night, with an additional award because they will all be presented with an Excellence in Music and Entertainment Peer Award for the fantastic job that they have been doing in terms of bringing fun and excitement and enjoyment and professionalism to the craft. We are honoring those four gentlemen, just like you have told to me and your listeners over and over again that I am somebody that you have a lot of regard for. When it comes to music business and selecting and rocking parties, these four brothers know exactly what to do. And so each of them will be awarded on the night. We have a number of special surprise guests. I can't call all the names, but let me just tell you, from Grammy winning to just a boss, I'm making contact. Richie, is it okay? Can we pass through, bro? So it's going to be a lot of excitement. Whole heap of celebrities, enough music, enough niceness, early settings, 6 to midnight, and it's the first time. And all the people born in September who want to come out and come and join us. A few surprises will be in store for those.
Wait, what month of September you born? What month of September? What date of September? What date of September?
The date. Mine is actually the 19th.
And mine is the 6th, you know.
Okay, so we have something in common, right? That's a birthday.
Well, I mean, it's the greatest month in the world, and I was telling some people that it's actually in the book of Ruth in the Bible, but them can't find. But it's in there someplace, you know. God said September is the greatest month. But Richie, I have a question for you, and it's a question of great import, and it is one not to be taken lightly, and the seriousness of it is up there with the culture wars that presently unfortunately prevail in the United States of America. It's up there with the Ukraine crisis. It's up there with Brexit. It is up there with the phenomenal news of what is occurring out there in our galaxy with respect to the space program of the United States. And this is a question of great magnitude, and I'm interested in getting your opinion on it. Richie, tell me, how is it that Glamour Wayne can look the same way him look now that him look 30 years ago? Now must obey him at work, Richie. Richie, tell me.
No,
Richie, no.
No, I need to find the answer myself.
Yeah.
I know that you noticed that as well as I have.
Yeah.
Glamour. People like Hall Plummer. You know Hall Plummer from back in the day.
Yeah.
Like Lloyd King Jammys James. People like Jack Scorpio.
Yeah.
People like Glamour Wayne. These are all brothers that belong to a special sect in terms of how they maintain their youth. And 10 years ago, them look the same as they are looking today. I don't know how they
No, but you're excluding another obvious person, you know. You're excluding another obvious person.
Well,
yourself?
I would. No, in my case, no. I just need to get a haircut, man. Once I get a haircut, I'm good in.
Once you get a haircut, your thing balance up, you know. Your thing is just standard.
Yeah.
No, but Richie,
and we try to disguise.
Right.
We try to disguise the little issues we might have with our left kneecap.
Well, as for me, it's the gray year. Now, I shave my head regularly. But you know, enough people think say I am actually bald, and them don't know say I have only per year, but me not have a bald problem, you know. Me have a gray hair problem, but me not ready for run out with the gray hair pandem yet, man. I'm not time yet.
Yeah, well, hold up on that.
Yeah, hold up.
If you look at ones that pop up in my beard right now, I try to figure out a thing. Me and the barber have a conversation last week, and we'll work on that.
But Richie, you have put together a stellar set of selectors right here who need no introduction because their reputation precedes them in terms of their excellence in having a party going, and people, needless to say, this is an event where, I don't know, jeans hang off a thing. The music is going to be quality music when they can come out and enjoy. So what about DJ Roy, Glamour Way, and Dubmaster Chris, Richie Poo, original Richie Poo and thing like that? They know the good music. And I am looking forward to this, not just because I support my brother and brethren and thing, because it is going to be a wonderful event, one to enjoy. So I'm going to have Richie for the we have a break at the top of the hour. So Richie, just in the next minute again, just remind them what is it they'll be experiencing come this Sunday at 6 o'clock, right? And we are going from 6 p.m. until 12 midnight. Remind them again, at Mingles. Tell them.
Yeah, Mingles Ultra Lounge, 4012 Boston Road, Bronx, New York. Don't ask me to give directions, but everybody know how to get there, I'm sure. Yeah. And remember, tickets, by the way, a few tickets are still on sale at Sands Bar and Grill, Rockatone Seafood, Genesis Restaurant, Mingles Express Grill, and People's Choice Furniture. It's Richie B's birthday bash, and it's for all the people born in September or born under the sign of Virgo, and just for generally party-loving people who want a decent, mature vibe where you can dress up however you want to and just come out and have a good time. Daddy, mommy, the daughters and the sons, the aunties and the uncles, everybody can come out and have a good time. And Raga told you about the selectors, DJ Roy, Glamour Wayne, the Master Chris, Richie Poo, all will be receiving a special honorary award on the night. You know, it's an important thing when we can get respect from our peers. Indeed. I don't want people to take it lightly, because what it means is that several others involved in the same craft are saying these four brothers are holding the flag high in terms of pushing our Jamaican culture and our music in all the places that they play, not just in the tri-state area, but all around the world, and they should be honored. So come on out and support them. You are their fans. Come on out and support them on the night, and make sure that you have a great time with us as we celebrate a very important milestone in my life. We did a party last week. We're taking a double this year, Raga. So we come out really, really strong. Last weekend we were in Toronto, Canada, at Central Bar and Grill in T-Dot, and this weekend we're wrapping it up inside of the Boogie Down Bronx. So see you on Sunday night. Come on out and have a great time. Looking forward to it. Much love.
Blessings, my brother. I'll see you there on Sunday, okay?
All right, Raga, give thanks.
You're welcome. And again, people, it's this Sunday, not to be redundant, but just reinforcing it. It's this Sunday, 6 o'clock, Upper Mingles at the Bronx. I would just want the whole on a roll out from every borough and come support Richie and, just come hang out with the family and have a good time and thing. So bring your lady, bring your gentleman, bring your family, bring your bonner man, bring your bonner woman, whoever you want to bring, and whatever, just know, say, a good, safe, mature, fun Richie B birthday bash. He has never done this in all these decades that he's been doing this. He has never done anything like this. So New York, let us give him a New York style thing, a New York turnout and turn up a thing and make a thing go on good and thing. All right? People, on a Friday, when we have to do a thing, IrieJam Radio, we have to break at the top of the hour. So we're about to do so. We're going to break for 3 minutes. And then when we come back, we juggle back with we look at calls, them and all these things. And we entertainment. You don't know it, go Ragashanti style right here, something. And when we come back, we'll also be connecting with the folks down there in Jamaica on the Bridge 99 FM. So it would be like, proper connection and all these things and thing. And we can just go and shell out the thing the way we usually do. All right, so sit tight, don't move a muscle. Gonna break for about 3 minutes, and we'll be right back right here on Ragashanti Live on IrieJam Radio on the Bridge and the Bridge 99 FM. Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live. Back in the juggling people, Ragashanti Live on the ears right now. And I just want to say big respect to all our Jamaican listeners on the Bridge 99 FM who lock in right now inside of this hour. I just want to remind you also that there have been some program changes. So the first show on a Friday night, the first hour of the show is only on IrieJam Radio in New York. And then in this, the second hour, we're both on IrieJam Radio and the Bridge 99 FM. And in the final hour, it will only be the Bridge 99 FM. And then, so this hour at the hour where both the Bridge 99 FM and IrieJam Radio on right now in a Ragashanti Live on a Friday night until come November when the time change and everything I got balance up and everything I got up on the same schedule. All right? Big up on yourself and things. So the people in Jamaica, we just want to know, as usual, on call him, but anything we want to call him, but we are work with that thing, is it? And we have some interesting calls thus far that has yielded some interesting information. Basically, a man and a woman there for 3 years. The woman turned 40, she turned 40 year one, and the man go say to her, say, well, you turn 40 now, so you see them tight up shorts the way you wear. You're a big man now. You have to stop wearing them shorts there and thing like that. She, in response, said, no, she don't see why it's a problem because she mainly wear the shorts, the tight up, pony printer shorts, them around her, the house and the yard and all these things and whatever. And him alone has seen. He countered that, no, because she go down at the corner store too. And she said, but the corner store is just right there, down at the corner. And thing, and like she living at the corner store. So she just go down at the corner store and thing and whatever. But she said most of the time when she wear her tight up short, she's in the house or the yard. And him I get for feast him ice pan her and all these things and whatever. But the general put on him foot and I said, nah, man, you have to stop wear them shorts, man. You're a bigger man now, 40-year-old woman, no fair wear them shorts. And him put on him foot and she said, nah, she must keep wearing. And when I know she must just get frustrated and say, yeah, you hear me right, and I'm not seeing a ring on my finger, Some of them why you tell me nothing about what for wear and what me not for wear. Because I don't see a ring on my finger. I don't see a ring on my finger. To which the man said, hold on, Wagwan, what does ring on your finger or us being married have to do with you reaching 40 and for stop with the tight up shot? Him don't see the connection. Well, I submitted that the reason him not see the connection is because him don't really know how woman think and reason. Him think say, well, let me leave that alone. Make Uno call in and comment on it. So, we have had some interesting conversation thus far about it, some interesting call. One woman, she called in and say, nah, him out hard. Him not say that to her. And she shouldn't even be there with him past 2 years if him not married to her. And them something there and whatever. So him not say nothing to her. And then I ask her, so I say, so why if them did really married, you know? She should have stopped with the shot. And she said, yeah. And she used the word obey. She said, no, if it's her husband, she must obey him. If him did married, she must obey him, obey her husband. Who make, and stop with the shot. Then now, you have several women that might use the following term, which is like, him take with 3 years out of her life, and no married her, and then want to come tell her what she for wear or not for wear. I submitted the following to that. I always find that construction very interesting. When people there with somebody, they choose for there with somebody. Them choose to go sleep with that person, they spend time with that person, they live with that person. But then them end up and say, oh, she take with 3 years out of my life. No, the way that Jamaicans use it, them love talk about with them gay. So them love to say, 5 years me give her, 5 years me give her, 5 years me give him, or 6 years me give her, or you know, or 6 years them take and whatever, this and that. And I always have a little problem with that, you know, because I don't know how is it that you got to choose today with somebody and then you got to talk about what you give them or what them take away from you in terms of years. Jamaican women do that too when it comes to children. Them always talk about how many children them give them man. Remember, you know, two people have the pitting them together, you know. But them always talk about two pitting them a game. I don't really understand it because if you give somebody something, it implies an obligation for reciprocity. That is some fancy way of saying, I have done something on my side, you need to do something upon your side. So when it's phrased that way, it's almost like a man should be thankful say a woman give him picnic so him who or something. I have some difficulty understanding them something. But anyway, so from New York, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. That is if you're calling from New York or Canada. Right, if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number again is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. If you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-646-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Right, Prezi? What's going on tonight? I've got the night call it up. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. To the four lines we go. Good night. Hello.
Oh, go on, boss.
Monday, I give thanks, you know, what I say.
Yeah, me there listen to the show. The concept when a woman I go say, and give the man.
You have to talk up a little faster.
Yeah,
You speak. Hold on. You have to flow here because it look like you had to do something while you talk.
Yeah, man. No.
Yeah.
Me just reach here a little drink of water right before you answer me. Sorry.
All right. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Anyway, maybe speed it up.
Yeah.
Man. So the concept when I say, well, and get the man the ears. When we realize is that most female always come and say them are the prize.
Them are the prize.
No matter what the situation is. Yeah, man.
Oh.
Man, she start feel away there too.
What you say, man must start feel away there too?
Have a look. Of course.
So man must feel like them are the prize too. Okay, go on, talk.
Of course I'm the prize.
Yeah.
Of course I'm the prize. When my girlfriend, Mr. Toss, he's a 100 hard pound prize, me a 200 hard pound prize. No bigger prize than you. Because she said she had the prize.
Yeah. Not bad. Yeah.
Me a 200 pound price. So man have that concept. So when woman, no matter what, a woman basically we come with nothing. Me nah put no shape on nobody thing.
Yeah.
But a woman we basically come with nothing.
Yeah.
And the woman does feel say, I become me in your life where you are progress. The man are the one who are go work and be listen to a whole of a woman talk. But the moment in time life, him life just go up there.
Yeah.
The man they don't just get him degree and him come and him look you. And the only thing you can see it is that for the moment him start talk to me, he just graduate from college.
Yeah.
So we did expect. If we reach for him in a college,
But then find them way to say, well, me make him this, that anything good. That's all female thing.
Well, the ongoing, the ongoing thing with me and my listeners, them I always argue with. My contention is this, like the way them design the thing, and men have been following, a lot of men have been following this and don't know. But the way it's set up, is that woman's genitals, woman juju, woman chun chun have value, and man body don't have no value, It's so the thing set up,
Boss.
It's so the thing set up because you're supposed to work, forget the woman thing and be thankful. And you hear woman say things like, free front now run again, and them say them something there, whatever. But, the same doesn't apply to men. And sometimes a man do most of the work when it comes to all sort out than woman and whatever. But I think it is a generalship that has existed since the dawn of time. Since people have become conscious in them reasoning and think. It's like, yeah, you're supposed to pay for the woman, Jojo, but, any man who wants to say, yo, buy me a drink, no, you're workless, dirty man and all these things and whatever. So what you say? Man must start things at them at the price to now.
Themselves at the price.
Okay.
Of course, you have the price because you have to put on the work good.
Yeah.
And you have to maintain. And then you see yourself as less. What's wrong with you?
No, but all right.
No,
but hold on though. You have people that listen and some woman that listen and I say, you're dirty man. I mean you mean. Because them are the things that they call. I mean you mean and all these things and whatever. And man must work for woman and so the thing set up and them all quote all the Bible for you if you're not mind sharp. What is your response to those people now who are saying men have always been the pursuers, men have always been the hunters, right? And when man hunt, whatever them hunt, that is the prize, and the prize is woman. So you must be thankful when you hunt and you get a good prize after you hunt it. What is your response? What is your response? Eh?
Okay. If that be the case, if you look on it and say a hunt, where you know, are you am I dinner? Are you to satisfy me then? that's all me I look on it. Yeah. Are you am I dinner? Are you to satisfy me? So when the lion hunt a gazelle, guess what? Yes, the gazelle come for fulfillment.
Yeah.
So you to fulfill my life then.
Okay.
So you can look on it as a hunt. You can look on it as a hunt.
Yeah.
All right, cool. You are my fulfillment.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, Raga, you see that the tone in which you present that story,
yeah.
If I saw it go, the female is not disrespectful.
Explain.
It's the tone in which you present the story.
Yeah.
Okay. If you notice, she now just get up and just wear the tight up PP shorts over the place.
Correct.
She has to mostly around him.
Right.
But she used the situation to state her claim. I said, boss man, a 3 year now.
Right.
And you are put on your foot about my local PP where me aware.
And and let's be hold on. And let's be fair to her. She did not bring up. Hold on. She did not bring up the marriage thing right away, because initially when him bring it up, she was respectfully saying, "No, what's the big deal? I just wear it around the place and just cool, man, and whatever." And him a push, and him keep on a push. So hold on. So when him a push and I put on him foot now, and I make and I establish authority, that is when she come out and basically. But you see what the thing, what him not understand, the way a woman think, You are making this an issue of respect and maturing and evolving or whatever. I am not getting the same thing from you, which should be, I'm not saying him supposed to propose to her, but for him, I put on him foot on a top board, because him basically I say, no, if you show some respect and whatever, me and you this and that and the thing upon a certain level now, and ray. So she basically I say, no, but if it did really upon a certain level now and whatever, you would at least broach the matter of like where we really are going in life then. Since it up this one, you go put on your foot right now. Me not think you might understand that part there,
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, exactly. So he must state for him claim. And she has said, but wait. You are like you so much in control. What about me?
Yeah.
you have not put me in the position of authority that you are establish yourself as.
No, it's not even authority. No. Be careful. It's not authority. It's a position of, for her, the way a woman think, it's a position of importance and priority.
Exactly.
Importance and priority.
All of that. So guess what? All right, you are push your foot down. What you do over here? So what you do to secure me?
Tio. You just hit the magic word, man. Security, man. When it come to woman, you know, you just hit the magic word. You there have so much chat over me. You there want to tell me all these things about what me supposed to do and what me supposed to do, whatever this and that and thing. And from what platform do you have that authority if you come tell me this and that and whatever?
Authority.
When you have not made me that priority. You have not accorded to me the importance up to that level where you think you, the fear talk to me that way there. Come now, Mr. Gentleman. If you have an argue, make we argue now. Where the backside ring there?
Yeah, man. Where the ring there?
Where the ring there?
She wasn't being disrespectful.
Should I be disrespectful?
She wasn't doing disrespectful.
Yeah.
She just used that conversation as a leverage to say, all right, let us step up to the plate.
Right.
You are going, so. We are going over here, sir.
No, because we could have paraphrased what she is saying another way, like, Mr. Man, I have not been pressuring you and I disrespect you and I give you any orders and all these things. I have been working with this thing and I saw it there, I work with them, I watch and see where it go. And thing. So but you don't matter act like say it depend where it the right, you know, right? Cause me never put on them pressure upon you and I tell you where you do and all them something that whatever. Don't come try to come own me like say this and that and the thing. Like we're married and whatever. We're married for 15, 20 years and whatever. Because me not get that from you yet. Don't get it twisted, sir.
Exactly. So, you know what? I hope you see the connection. I respect my brother.
Yeah, man. I say a word and a big up yourself.
I listen to your show.
My respects, sir. Cool.
Bless, man. Bless. Yeah.
Next call. Send on a call. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Yeah, good night. Good night.
Only God can tell you what you say.
Yeah, because a young lady today, and
She. You call a young lady and she say she.
I call a young lady today and she said, if me ever call her, I'm going to say no.
Oh, okay.
And then, because I get frustrated and she said, if I call you, and tell her
she say, you for call me and what? Bomba, Prezi. Yo, Prezi, only God can tell him credit done. You have him number, call him back there for me, yeah? Who down there? Eh? Kevin have him number, man. Kevin, call back, only God can tell you. In the meantime, hold on. All right, see if we can get him back there because it look like him did that wait patiently and in credit done. I want new sound down at Jamaica now when credit done. You know, hear the woman anymore. You just hear kum kum. Okay, if you call from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Calling from the United States, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. All right. One of the caller earlier calling at the first hour, the New York hour, raised that thing, where she say the woman shouldn't even there with the man for 3 years and I never get married to him. And say, someone ask her, like, how long a woman for there with a man before she get married to him? And if marriage no run, she for cut. And she said 2 years. Well, that caller, she said she was 73 years old. I don't think that really a old right now. In fact, you have a whole heap of woman right now. Them not in the marriage thing. Them still want security. But you have it is more the case now that a lot of women out there, them not really pre-marriage like that. Okay, hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Okay, then call you back, man, because your credit they done, so I make them call you back, All right, then, yeah.
Yeah.
So what you said the woman tell you say if you call and what?
Yeah, no, me tell she said me now, no, me call her today and he said no feel so good. And then she said to me, say if me go call you on the bridge. And me tell her, say no, me not go call tonight. And she said me fi call you. In the beg me fi call you, you know. And then he said me fi tell you fi call her. So me no know what happened.
Say me fi call her?
Yeah, and he tell me say her name is Pretty Punchy. So me no know how that go.
Only God can. Hold on. Only God can tell you. Hold on. So you say you never did go call, and then you know somebody. Yeah, and then she tell you say you must call.
Yeah, can me call the person and it's a fake.
No, but only God can tell you. Me not think that really goes so. You know why you say that and that never happened.
No, me call the person today. Serious to God, me call.
No, you can't say serious to God because you say serious to God, you call Pretty Punchy. You never call Pretty Punchy.
Yeah.
No, man. Pretty Punchy a post online, you know. She said, "Wanna please call this man phone and wanna please stop call this man phone and saying it's me." Or you say probably true you give out your number. You may have some wanna call and I say them a Pretty Punchy and them are not a Pretty Punchy, you know.
What the person tell me so? I first tell me say name Pretty Punchy.
Oh.
And then he asked about my grandmother. And then he asked about my grandmother where call the grave digging. Yeah.
Oh. Well, you know, so me never think about that option that you go give out your number and think somebody could have call you and I tell you say them a Pretty Punchy for true, you know. But me I tell you say it's not Pretty Punchy because Pretty Punchy a post and says no, she not call you. All right.
All right, then no, it's nothing then.
All right, so everything all right otherwise?
Yeah, me I give thanks to Father and listen to the show same way, is it?
All right, only God can tell you anything. So what you eat today for dinner and all them? What you eat for dinner today?
I know, say breadfruit, meat and flour and chicken.
Breadfruit, flour,
yam.
And chicken and yam. What kind of yam?
White apple.
White apple yam you eat and thing, okay.
Yes.
And breadfruit. And you cook a chicken, a curry chicken or brown stew chicken or fried chicken?
No, fry.
You fry?
Cook it down.
You fry the chicken and do what?
I cook it down.
Well, that sound like brown stew.
Yeah,
that sound like brown.
Onion and garlic and carrot.
Onion and garlic and carrot. Yeah, that sound brown stewish. Yeah, that sound brown stew.
And then throw ketchup on it.
You throw ketchup on what?
The chicken, and then I cook it down.
Well,
no,
when you cook it down in a gravy, you throw the ketchup in a gravy. All right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I make it cook down first, and then put the chicken inside right now, and then make it cook down look the same way.
I make it cook down look a bit same way. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
No, but
no. But there is one nobody they want to say. Say Pretty Punchy, give me a call. On the God can't tell you what happened.
Okay, yeah, all right then. Sure.
Yeah, I'm not afraid of people, you know.
Yeah.
As long as me not trouble nobody things.
All right then.
Yeah.
So we are telling people them who are call you and I say them a Pretty Punchy, them for stop it, here.
Aye.
All right then. Big up yourself, my general, all right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah, man, and woman out there, we not call the boss through the boss, go give out him number over the year and thing. If we not call the boss and I tell the boss, say we not Pretty Punchy, we not stop it, man, we not violate. We not violate the thing, man. You understand? Lego that something there. All right? Don't call the boss and I say we not Pretty Punchy and all them thing there, all right? Hey, Prezi, pay attention. 8766, what? All right, give me a call. Hello.
Ragashanti.
Long time.
Mad, up and running.
You see, proper.
Everything good.
Seal up, yeah.
Manners.
Yeah.
You are going to Raga. A woman, you know, look at woman, right?
Yeah.
A woman who pass and say, man, in a good evening or whatsoever. It depends on the time of the day in pass and shout you. And if a woman has approach you in a manner, say, boy, me there me hard, I do certain little things on me hard, and the woman pass and see how hard me I work. See, big up my friend Top Jillian. She said to me, so I pass and see me I do something, and she said to me, say, boy, you want a rum? So I say, why you don't want to buy me a rum? You know, to me I work so hard. I say, right, I'm going to take some water, you know. That time me and my rum and sit me and my movie and my ice water and coconut here, you know. She turn up there and watch me see way. So me I do what me I do. He say, boy, she say, you know what I that more I say to you. He say, what you say, man? He say, boy, me no want, she no want me disrespect her. He say what you say, man? And I say, boy, he might give me 20 grand. He say, for what? He might give me 20 grand for go down low. I say, what you say a while ago? He might give me 20 grand for go down low. So me and I did that, so I say, wait, you know a grill?
What you ask her, say, if you know what?
If she know a grill.
If she know a nigrill?
Yeah.
And then what she say?
I mean, ask her if she know other places.
Yeah.
Rather, I'm not do like a squaddy.
Why, you not go down for her for 20 grand?
Me never go down for nobody for 20 grand and nobody. Me no know this woman for Adam. Me just pass and say, hi, how did you? Me not in a business with the woman.
Oh, okay. I just want people to know, say the general, him a call from Jamaica, you know, Jamaica, him a call. So basically, no, you say, so is somebody who you just see and say hi and hello to all the while, right?
That's right. And she pass and say hello and me pass and tell her hello.
All right. And you did it at work, I do your work, outside work you do, all right, don't you, right?
Yeah, and that's what me I say.
Right.
Hey.
And she pass and then she come up and she ask you, say, if you want a rum. Which mean if you want a drink of rum, we're gonna go all a drink of rum and them thing and whatever. And you say, because you out and you sweat and you outside, you say, why should I want to come give me rum in a day? I bet, you know, I want them what I want. So you say to her, I said, but you say you have your rum, you know, so if you want to drink rum, you can drink rum. Right.
Me have a flask of rum and a flask of Campari and me had a buckle of boom.
A flask of rum, a flask of Campari and a buckle of boom.
And a buckle of boom, so I'm well charged.
You're well charged upon things. So if you want to go so rare, you can go so rare. Liquor to your thing. But then now...
And shop then near me had me money in my place.
Right. So you very politely said to her, I said, boy, I don't think I work with no rum in India, but if I go drink something with a water, I drink, you know, some, but I'm good. And you say she paused upon thing, and then she said, well, actually, you know, it's a different matter. I really want to raise with you, and you know, but she said, I don't want you to embarrass me. And you say, no, man, say what you want, say what you want, say what you. And then when you tell her, say what you want, she said she want to give you 20 grand, and a Jamaican, obviously 20 grand. For you go down on her, for you go swipe her, for you go eat up.
Yeah, that's what me talk about.
Right. Tell me something. How she look? How she look? She look like some. She sell off. She look like somebody who people are draw for. Why would she want to pay you 20 grand for you go down on her? How she look?
That is it. That is she know so that fat and she about 6 feet tall and she brown.
You what? What? She what? How she look?
She not that big in her body, but she have a look of weight and she about 6 feet tall and she brown.
She have a look of weight. She not that fat. She have a look of weight. She about 6 feet tall. And she brown.
Yeah.
Okay. Why you think? Why you think? Yeah. What?
The thing is this. You know, she don't know me from Adam. If me a go down or me a turn up or me a bend down or whatsoever. and that is the way I approach a person. If me even did I go down low or whatsoever, that is not the way if you approach a person.
Yeah.
Number one, for me know this lady, she never wear frock yet. I pay tight and pants.
Be a tight and pants she wear, no?
That's right. Number two, her armpit not smell good.
Her armpit not smell good?
She have 4 type of cologne I work with.
She have what?
4 type of cologne I work with.
What that mean? What that mean?
She have 4 type of cologne. One evergreen. You understand me? Stay with me. Never leave me alone. That's the one that's a thing.
Well, what the 4 type of cologne name? One near evergreen and what? Got people people in America when I don't know where it came from, but Jamaicans have a term when somebody is have a bad odor and it is frownsy or so, Jamaicans say green, right? So that is where it comes. So you say she have 4 type of evergreen and what?
One name evergreen.
Yeah.
One name never leave me alone and stay with me.
Never leave me alone and stay with me, yeah.
And the next one, I said the one I think, man.
I said that one. Okay, so wait, hold on. When you say when you see her, you never see her in a skirt. She always wear tights or jeans. What you really are say this? So what you?
So if listen now, if upstairs I smell, so I'm not disrespect no woman.
Yeah.
Because I come from a woman.
Yeah.
If upstairs I smell so. Not to mention under down there so. No breeze now go under there.
No breeze now reach this and things so.
Under there, I pay tights and pants.
Okay, so yeah, say boy, she bright enough for come and go and come.
Disrespect what they come so they get a box class in face.
No, we not want, we not support.
No, we not say that.
Me know, but for the record, we just want, we not support no farmer, violence. So basically, true, you say, I be a tights and jeans you see her in, and if her armpits are green and I be a tights and jeans she wear where down then I get no breeze and whatever. Yeah, say, she bright for come I come and want to get 20. I buy she want to bite your tongue. I buy she want to buy your tongue for 20 grand and all these things and whatever. And so yeah, so she out on road for come at them where they don't.
Big disrespect, I better she go on and nigga go on and one part of them, what them there's something that happen.
Okay. So look, so you consider woman consider you good looking and thing with nice body and them something there and thing. Your face boy are them something that makes you move to you, sir?
No, me is a hard working person,
Oh.
It's what they work, you understand me I talk about? It's what they work, me not sit down.
And then what that mean now? What that mean?
So yes, if as long as you ever they work,
yeah.
Then she says, boy, you up there and have your money.
Oh, so but she offer you 20 grand?
Yes, she offer me 20 grand, yes. But maybe the reason why she offer me 20 grand sometimes they say they can use their money and catch you for that.
Well, yeah, that's true. You have some people still so they use money catch money and use money catch bigger money, yeah. And
they can't draw me out. So me not shoes late.
That are the No, but probably she just want your tongue. Probably she just fantasize about your tongue. And she want to give you like one little pony facial. Eh?
Me tongue more precious Matthews and gold.
Yeah, okay. You know I'm not careless stuff.
If me did a good on there so. But would have to use vinegar and wash it.
Oh, well, I couldn't bother.
You understand me?
Yeah, I couldn't bother.
I would have to season it up with pepper and then something there. Because I eat no food and I don't use pepper and ketchup and anything there.
Okay.
And she can't go to the heat, so she have to go come out of the kitchen.
Oh, so you say anything you eat, pepper if you can go on it.
And pepper if you can go on it.
Yeah, pepper if you can cook. You don't mind eat, but anything you eat, if you can cook and pepper if you go on it.
And pepper and something, I will have to go on it.
And if you can juke it up with knife and fork too and them something.
You understand me I talk about?
And them something that you eat.
And them something
so then, on a different thing or whatever, like, suppose she was an attractive woman, cute and pretty, and she did have approach and she did engage in a nice little conversation and thing, and you and her talk for a few weeks, and you find out saying, something like that being and thing, she have a nice sense of humor, she's intelligent, you have good conversations with her, you feel a little connection with her, and then you start, when you start doing a little thing, and one day she said, boy, I want to see if you could have troops a little thing there for me and thing or whatever, would you be more open to doing it there?
She no born it. The one they no born it.
Oh, you don't never troops it? You don't never go there, so you never eat that at all?
The one they no born it.
No, me just want to be clear. You don't never swipe a woman at all, no? Even if she clean.
Me say the one they no born it. That have to come from straight from the heaven.
No, but all right. You know she's a 20, but if a woman give $1 million Jamaican dollar, $1 million US dollar, because she says she want you swipe her, you that swipe her for $1 million US dollar?
The one they no born it, me work hard.
You wouldn't swipe a woman for $1 million US dollar?
The one they no born it, me work hard.
Me know you work hard, but me say if a woman have $1 million, if a woman have $1 million US right beside her and she clean and pretty and thing and whatever, and she say, Archie, what you do? I just kiss up a little something down this and thing. You wanna do it? You wanna do it?
So what about the kiss up a little something, you see? And when you kiss up a little something, you kiss straight in the doctor office, you have all type of disease.
Okay. No, hold on. I know say that possible, but me just say, let us just assume say she clean and you're not kiss no disease. The issue is, I just want to know if there is, certain circumstances where if all things being equal, she's clean, there's no prospect of a disease or anything where you have a contract or anything. Like, if there's any scenario under which you would give it some consideration, that's what I'm saying. So if a woman give $1 million US for you take her, for you kiss up, you look at something a little bit. You want to take $1 million US and then chew on some kiss on it, eh?
If something like that should happen, you see?
Yeah.
Me and I would go to doctor 2 to 2 first.
Right. And then after the doctor says she clean.
And after she test and me test.
Right.
And we let one doctor either come up to her yard or my yard and we go to the bathroom. Well, if me believe should have happened, that should have happened. But a woman can't just
no, well on. So what you say, after the doctor says she clean and you go and thing and then you go a your yard and thing and whatever and a beard and thing and whatever and then what?
If it should have happened, it will happen. Just can't come tell me so.
But no woman can't just come tell you so, Ray. Them can't tell you so. Right, it have to be a process. Yeah, we have rules here. We have rules here. Yeah.
You have to go through everything.
We have to go through the stages. You have to go through stages. You understand?
You have to go to our custom house.
Yeah, you have to go through stages before you can reach a level and thing and thing. All right, my general, big up yourself here.
Big up my friend Top Jar Alien. She know who I talk to.
All right, Alien too cute. Big up yourself, the general a big
up. Respect.
All right, yeah man, cool. Press, you have a sweet. Why? Yo, we want to break, we're so forward.
Decades of hits from the classics to current tracks. You'll find it all on the Bridge 99 FM. The station for everyone.
New style, yes. New flow,
The Bridge. The Bridge 99 FM to the world.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Back in the juggling and thing, whatever with there, and I just want to just want to reiterate what the general said a while ago, okay? After some pressing and thing and whatever, the general eventually say, so I also could have gone, but the thing have to go through stages, you can't just come up and ask a man that, So even though the general did say, that the person is not born yet, after some determined probing and things like that, well, verbal probing, of course, the general just made us know that, you give some consideration to doing that thing there, if, the lady, if there's some stages to go through to ensure that, on doing so, he would not have contracted anything unpleasant in the realm of diseases of the sort, and once he can be assured that such would not occur, that and after a nice little shower and a little fresh up and thing, a general essentially made us know that he would be open, to executing that particular act and thing like that. An interesting dialogue right there. Anyway, 876-676-4996 from Jamaica, 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. From the United States or Canada, it's 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Good night. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Raga.
Wagwan.
Big up yourself.
There, man. Where you say?
You know who this?
Vice sound familiar, who this?
I'm multi-talented.
Multi-talented, Wagwan.
You know, say, see, to me dey pass some work from where day, me not get to call your car. I did back to school and me if dey on the machine, you know.
Okay.
Me do me sewing too, you know, me first trade that, you know.
Oh, sewing. Okay.
Me have a writ against you still, you know, Raga.
A writ against me? Let me hear it now.
Yeah, you hear what me I say to you?
Me I hear you, yeah.
You see the other day me call in and the lady I go style me up, say, oh man, done for me.
Uh-huh.
And the next one I go tell you, say, oh, me a mad man.
Uh-huh.
Me need somebody to counsel me. Me may pass through a lot of things still under hurt you, but me not mad. Mad man can't do sewing. Not true.
That is not an accurate statement, you know. There are well, let's be careful. Look, we just say like, hold on. There are various forms of mental disability that allow people to function normally like anybody else, but they still are afflicted with some, you know, different form of mental diseases.
Nobody tell me say you take side in a Raga and I can't style me. Nobody tell me say you take side in
No, but you can't, you can't use them psychs upon me. I run the show, so me I give a different side and different. So if you say something, hold on, man. You know, say sometimes you know, listen. So if you say something and there's an alternate way of understanding that which you have said, and I'm aware of that alternative, there's nothing wrong if I present it to you. You can't now attack me and say me I take side. We have reason. All right?
Okay.
Remember, say a man you talk to, you know, and a boy you chat to, you know.
All right, Raga.
Yeah.
You know, me tell you, say if you call me multi-talented.
Yeah. Why?
Me do smacking, me do embroidery. Me do sewing.
Well, you do smack. What?
Me build Tom.
Well,
me build uniform.
What you say? Smacking. What you say? Oh, that go?
Smacking and embroidery. Smacking.
What is smacking? Sorry, me don't know. You teach me now.
Embroidery. You know, like you cut out the cloth, them and you.
Okay. So another name for that type of for that something there is smacking. Right. Smacking. Oh, me never. You teach me something tonight.
Crochet.
And you do crochet.
I do crocheting, yeah.
Crocheting. And what else you do?
Me build uniform. Me build gown.
Okay.
Build little where them put over their nose mask, but the Chinese people them lick off my market, you know, with them balls, this and them falls that.
Oh, careful, you know. Yeah. Right. So you can make masks, you can make uniform, school uniform, you can do embroidery.
Me saw the man shorts them.
What you mean man shorts? What you mean? What kind of man shorts?
Little shorts them where the man them wear with the little pocket them and so me build all them there too.
Oh, well, yes, it's true. Okay, all right then.
And me make tights and all them little something.
You make tights and them stuff. Okay.
Yeah, man. That's why I tell you to call me multi-talented.
Okay, that is very good. I mean, if you can do them, some of them fit you.
I use machine. Me come a country, me born a town. I'm half grow, ghetto. Me come a country, come learn one whole heap of something for burn coal.
You know for burn coal?
Yes.
Hold on. When you say burn coal, you mean like coal skill? You know for make coal?
Yes, right.
Okay, and you know for use hoe and them some of them?
Machete, file.
Machete,
pickaxe.
Yeah, pickaxe and them something there. You know them thing there.
Right. Mix mortar, lay black.
Liar tell you don't know if you mix mortar and lay black. Liar tell.
Me I tell you. You see how?
Hold on. What you just said? Prince of Yes said, no, you don't know. She said, shut your mouth at. What you say? Shut your mouth and make one listen when big woman a chat to you, know?
Yeah. Half of my house.
Yeah.
Half of my house, Bill.
Yeah.
Me lay some black in my bathroom. When my brother come and see it, he say, girl, thumbs up for that.
Jeez and peace. You mix mortar and lay black on them, some of them for true?
Yes, and my brother come and see it, he say, thumbs up for that, my girl.
Wow. I really think you talk, you know, if good mortar. Hold on, you know if you mix mortar Jamaica with sand, gravel and cement and everything and whatever. I know if you twist up a shovel.
Yes, and flash wall, go for house top chain zinc.
You know how to flash wall with cement, President, you don't know about them something. Yes. You know how to flash wall and them something there. And you know how to smooth it out after 2 and them something there, for real?
Right, and then after, you take the sponge and sponge it down after you're done.
You might not see a man do it, but you don't know what to do.
Tap your eyes and tantil and listen to me. me tile all floor.
What you say? Tap your eyes and tantil and listen to me. You tile all floor and all them.
Yes.
Multi-talented. Tiling, I don't want easy something for doing, no. But
me do it, Raga. Me do it with the pieces one, them, and me do it with the whole one.
Man, me don't know if you can. No, man, I will pass up me and tell me say you can't do this. So, you see all tiling. I don't want easy something for doing,
That's why I tell us if you call me multi-talented pan the show.
No, but me don't know if me I believe you say. No, you see. No, man, hold on, man. You see, if lay black cement and them something there for do it the right. You see, all flashing something the way you say when them flash it, then them flash on the cement.
Flash the wall with
no, hold on, man. That no, I don't want easy something for doing tiling. I don't want easy something,
And I left on me use.
I don't know if I believe you, I don't know if I believe you, because I will heap of something them there, multi-talented. I will heap of something them.
All right. You better believe me, not tell no lie.
I don't know if I know you tell me, shut your mouth and listen when big man chat to you.
Brother. You see where there, when me talk on your show, me tell you something, man, me tell the lady, say, we are going to call her 3 names.
Yeah.
Me say, me call her Barfly.
Yeah.
And me call her Roadhog.
Roadhog, yeah.
And me call her Village Liar. Me go explain something to you.
Barfly, Roadhog, and Village Liar.
Right.
Hold on. Who you did attack? Elaine too cute, no?
The one where say she wear heels.
The one that's a hot and spicy. Yeah, go and talk.
Right.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, listen to me. When me used to work a bar, me did younger and used to work a bar.
Yeah.
Man come in a bar and call me Barfly. What me I go do about that? Roadhog now, a good name because you have to go up on road, go hustle where you want more time.
Roadhog.
Taxi man a Roadhog. Anybody will go hustle where they want. And up on road, them have to go. You can't stay yard more time and get where you want. You have to do road.
No, but when
so
you hold on. When you cause you have to qualify where you say, because when you were doing it, the way you are mentioning them, they're compliments. But when you were doing it, you weren't giving her compliments. You did take it to her, and we all knew that. So you're confused with
You know why me did I take it to her?
No, but me know. But no, give it different interpretations of the term that are profound compliments. But you weren't giving her compliments at the time. You did have done her.
Right.
So you're confused with now.
I'm done her. But yeah, what happened now? May I tell you, say, people call me Barfly and me no kill them. And me no cuss them.
Okay, no, but it's all about context,
Right. People call me Roadhog and me no cuss them. People call me Village Liar and me no cuss them.
No, but what I'm saying
Village
is context.
Liar,
there's something. Hold on. There's some things where you can't call. Hold on. There's some things where you can't call people, right? And all depending on how you say it and the context where you say it, it can either be a compliment or an insult.
All right. Now go get to the point now.
Well on. A woman can come out and the way I think turn up. Our friend can say, you stay body, you don't stay good. And she knows it's a compliment she give her. And next woman can just say whatever and somebody look and say, no sir, she stay bad, she don't stay good. And you know it's a compliment. We in black people, we use negative words as compliments all the time. We say, John, the thing wicked. Boy, I tell her she did wicked when she performed. And next time we say she did wicked, and it means that the person did evil. So it depends on the context. So
True. I true talk.
Yeah.
If me call her Village Liar, she's supposed to glad, cause you see liar are good people,
But we have to go leg right now.
We have to go me spit it on liar.
Yeah, all right. Miss Kitty, who you say your favor, you and her a dead stamp, though.
All right.
Okay.
Listen to me.
All right. Well,
the lady where she name Pratt.
Yeah.
Let me finish the story now, man.
No, but we have to break. You can't tell me say make we finish.
Well, I send me say. You want to take break and come back to me?
Yeah, me take break and come back to you. All right then. Okay.
We have something important to say to you when you come back.
Oh, okay. President said we're not have to take a break. Oh, I forgot because we're going to switch over to Jamaica now from US. Okay, no. President said you can go and talk. Yeah, go and talk. Okay.
All right.
Oh, well on. To the people, let me know, listening on IrieJam Radio, we're going to switch over at 12 o'clock to the Bridge 99 FM. We're still on the Bridge 99 FM, but IrieJam going to cut off at 12 o'clock. So if you don't want to go and listen to the final hour of the show, which is going to be like this until the time change in November, you have to go on the bridge99fm.com or go on IrieJamRadio.com too, Prezi. Them here on IrieJamRadio.com too. Oh yeah, IrieJamRadio.com, the bridge99fm.com, or go on what? Facebook? Yeah, and go to IrieJam 360 on Facebook. So everybody who are listening right now in New York City and the surrounding areas who are listening to the radio, remember now at 12 o'clock it will cut off, but we have one more hour of the show, which is going to be on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. So, but if you want to listen, you can go to Facebook at IrieJam 360 on Facebook. You can go online to the bridge99fm.com or IrieJamRadio.com and you can still listen to the show. All right? Yeah, go and talk now, multi-talented. Where? Oh, well on, multi-talented. Before you go on, before we cut off at 12. People do remember Jamel from Superb Motors alongside with Bridge, our brother IrieJam. Killaboo from IrieJam. Killaboo brings you a thing called Black is Beautiful. It's all about the all-black affair. Saturday, October 8th. Black is Beautiful. The all-black affair, right? Which part? Ike's Grand Hall, 187-12 Linden Boulevard, right here in Queens. Again, Ike's Grand Hall, 187-12 Linden Boulevard in Queens. Music by Fatta Diamond, my general. Killaboo from King Addis and Dubmaster Chris, all right? Sound provided by SQ Sound System. Advance tickets, $30. Available at Genesis Restaurant on Hillside Avenue. Everybody know that there. Superb Motors on 215 Northern Boulevard in Great Neck in Long Island. People's Choice Furniture, 3411 Boston Road up there in the Bronx. And, of course, Golden Crust on Pitkin Avenue. Again, Black is Beautiful. The all-black affair. Saturday, October 8th. Ike's Grand Hall. And I don't know, says a Superb Motors, Jamel. Superb Motors alongside Killaboo from IrieJam Radio Production. Back to multi-talented right here now. Talk up, yeah.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, what you saying?
Big up yourself every time.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Big up your listener them too.
Yeah,
when
but
you call them, everybody.
Yes, yes.
The lady now where says she give her picnic sausage and macaroni.
The lady where says she give her picnic sausage and macaroni.
You call her
I did who that again? Who Alien too cute?
I saw she name Alien too cute.
Yeah, it was our grand. It was our grand.
She sell for her sister through the grill.
Yeah. Alien too cute. And our grand is our grand picnic.
All right. Me did a fool on her wedding, but me apologize to her. Tell her, say, see, you know, forget the baby too much sausage.
Why?
No,
she listening. She listening sure. So why she not forget the baby too much sausage?
Too much of the sausage is not too good for the baby, you know.
Why?
You forget the baby some vegetable and some porridge, like cornmeal porridge and oat porridge and stuff.
Okay.
Me no want him to grow up and start bray.
Grow up and start what?
Bray.
Bray like donkey?
God. So never said donkey makes sausage. They said me want picture say a donkey makes sausage.
Well, that is not quite the case. Yes. You know, them have all kind of regulations out there with these things.
They did say one picture to me, and that's why I missed it.
All right. Okay, all right.
And the lady now where she wear the heels. We call me drunker, you know, you should have stopped her from, you know, if you call people drunker, you know.
No, she never
should
call you
tell her
Jankro,
not
you know. She use it.
She call me drunk.
Hold on, man. You know, say, you know, sound like you can't keep, man, because you love cuss and go on and argue and all and sitting there. I want me to you, woman. Listen to me, no, man. I make me talk.
I call me Jankro.
She never say you're Jankro. She use it in a creative way where it was more like some sort of imagery. Like, should I say, you know, like would I say Janko draw breaks in your head? It don't literally means a Janko draw breaks in your head. We Jamaicans, we use a term there and thing, but we just say there's a certain way you hear, look or whatever, like Janko draw breaks in your head, right? So I remember her, it was something along, she never say you're Janko. She said, like should I say like Janko, so on, whatever. Some creative way.
Good, you know, she said me a Janko. She called me drunk, and then afterwards she said, Janko jaw break in my head.
No,
and my head
listen, she never said Janko jaw break. I just used that as an example to make a point just now. She never actually said that either. Right? But anyway, go on, ta.
But the Janko come in a picture, though.
Yeah, she used Janko. Me love to tell people, say, but them go and trouble me like them forgot say me a Jankro and me have a Jankro side. Me and a Jankro, me just use that, you know, to connote a certain imagery, you know.
You know her? You know her, you're a big friend, not too.
What you mean?
So you text her, see her, so she call me Jankro and me tell her, say, you should have stopped her from call me Jankro.
No, me not text her to her, me I try to explain, say, the way you interpret the thing and so it was used.
Me no forgot nothing, you know, me you see for my brain.
No, but the fact say you hear the word Jankro, it don't mean that you were called Jankro.
Oh,
if somebody say so and so smell like dead dog, them not say the person a dead dog. Them say the person smell bad. Them not say the person is a dead dog. So you can't say because you hear Jankro, she did call you Jankro.
All right, maybe somebody else will call in and confirm it.
Yeah, all right, we will see. And if me wrong, me wrong. All right, okay, cool.
And when me go stay this evening, so she called me Jankro, and me didn't get to call.
Yeah.
From the time there, because to me they put the machine, I do some uniform or something. She back to school.
Yeah.
I go tell her, say, me a Jankro, but me beg your pardon. Me da go fly over this evening and pick up the rotten fish down at the seaside.
Okay.
If she really call me Jankro for two, because Jankro name rotten fish and rotten meat and all and dirty stuff.
Okay. So you say you'd fly over and pick up all of the rotten fish and the rotten meat, them, right?
Yeah. And so she said she had enough of it, so.
Okay.
You know,
all right.
Me da go dirty her, me da go style her, but like how you say, I saw you go, and she said, man done for me. No why she go tell her, say, man done for me.
I think Elaine Too Cute did say that though, and I think Hot and Spicy did say that. I'm not sure, but I think Hot and Spicy is a man done for you.
But me somebody go say hi to you. Just hello and that.
What? Wait,
Hello.
Hello? Yeah, hello.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you know. They are listening to the program.
Yeah, man. How old is?
I'm a man.
Oh, wait. Are you a multi-talented man?
So she say.
Okay, all right. Well, a pleasure meeting you, my general. A pleasure meeting. Oh, choo. No, hold on, you Tambourine for true Tambourine. No, multi-talented, you deal with the one, the wicked. You deal. So when you say, a man done for you know, you have a man, you know, you make we meet you. But hold on, me not hear the man who want you. Hold on, no, let me talk to the man. Let me talk to the man. Let me talk back to the man. General, yo, sir.
He's shy.
No, man, no, what you mean him shy?
Man. You see me know what I'm talking about.
No, me know, all right. Me know you know in a whole attack, but just for the record, me just want you own it and say, yeah, I'm a woman. Multi-talented, I'm a woman.
Yeah, man, I'm a woman.
All right, see it there? Simple. Multi-talented, big up yourself. So what you say? What you say? The one Attack Spicy and them a talk about man done pay or whatever. See you show your man there. Attack Spicy never show a man yet. Attack Spicy never show a man yet. I be a frag, we always hear back her. I be a bullfrog, we always hear back her. I see you bring bill and receipt. And you make your man say, yeah, in there and the man own you. The man own you. Why you? All right, big up yourself here.
Brother.
Yeah?
Me nude.
You're nude. You're naked right now, though.
Tambourine.
Why you? A shellings right here now. You got dash out now, though.
We call over here.
No, well on. Say, you got dash out the mosquito body because I remember say you say your body shape like mosquito. So you got dash out the mosquito body right here now, though.
What you mean?
Run and put it on the general and thing and make him talk. Make him talk in a tongue. Sit down on him and boom off that door. Go do your thing, yeah. Multi-talented. Go angle your business. Yeah. Because Attack Spicy never present a man pan this yet. I be a bullfrog the back her when she call it. Big up yourself, multi-talented. All right, cool. Yo, multi-talented kill people today neatly. Multi-talented, but I lie. Multi-talented said, she said, man done for me. I have somebody else to tell you hello. Kevin didn't see what I go on. Multi-talented done the place in the night, yeah. Multi-talented say, and she did there, some man done for me. But man done for me. Yo, me have somebody have to tell you hello, you know. And the general just come in and say, yeah. You done one up a thing and all this thing. Oh, you mean multi-talented? I saw you done people around here, right? You see, it's a drive-by you go on with it, but you come in with a silence upon them. And you never in a no rush. It's a drive-by, you just clutch at the corner and I watch fool and thing and watch and say, watch all of them down there. And them don't even know, say, me have them ticket, you know. And you just roll in neatly. You don't even drive fast. You just roll in neatly and done the place. Multi-talented, make you wicked, so. Make you wicked, so. And kill Alien Too Cute. And kill Attack Spicy. But can't bother, you know, hey, you think it's easy. Anyway, a number, 876-676-4996. 876-67 no, that bad a while ago. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. All right, greetings. Hello.
Nah, no close, Raga.
Alien Too Cute. Hey. What going, boo-boo?
Listen to this. What me just do?
Oh, what? Do it again.
Listen, and listen, Raga. Listen to this.
Yeah. You just kiss your teeth, no?
All right. The man, woman, nothing. Because number one, the man, she said, I'm a man. And the man come on and you say, multi-talented are you, woman. Wine say.
Him say, so she say. So she say, yeah.
So she say.
Yeah.
Me and a man can't in my house. And me put him on. Before that, we do book and pen before him come on.
Yeah.
What kind of so she say?
Oh.
So she say me foot.
Okay, so him never come out real and things. So a set up thing then, yeah.
Come out set up. I want a friend come over to listen to Ragashanti with her.
Oh, but it sounds like you said she probably ask him man to do that too or whatever for just for say.
Exactly.
They no eat.
Multi-talented.
No, but then I ask him after. So I ask you straight up. Are you a man or whatever? And him say, yeah, man. After, yeah. After, yeah. That's true, yeah.
Come out with so she say.
Oh.
First of all, are you a multi-talented man? Yeah.
I'm a good as kitty body.
Yeah, and start talk up some things that own her up right away and them something. And yeah, so right there, him did sound like tepid, him sound tepid and him never sound no enthusiasm. Him just say, well, that's what she say, That's what she say. And him no want to talk no more and whatever. And then she go say, him shy. And no, but hold on. But then she said she go boom it off and she go sit down on it and boom it off and she said she was nude.
She go boom off. It's a machine. She go boom off.
Machine.
You know the machine where you use your foot and that's your boom off.
But the woman said she was nude. She said she was naked and ready for go work and ready for go deal with the general. And that she said.
Raga, mouth cut cross where you're free if you say anything.
Yeah, no. So, you're not convinced? No,
Mr. Number One, I nearly dropped down when the man said, so she say, and that lick me for a headache take me same time. How you, man? Raga, you not listen to your show?
No, I listen, but she could have paid my money for say it like that. I said, no.
Me say a good all a man come pick up in that a uniform.
Okay.
And then just a pull a one from you.
You see it. Because she definitely said that, because several times she said it, like she has a man done for me. And she, and she, even before we take a break, she said, no, mama, I have something to say. So that was, so say it did plan and it set and thing for do that. But I could have a man for you.
He's not no man, Raga.
No, but when I say she a woman, she probably can't have a look.
Give me hand back your Tiffany come out, so she say.
Well, you da give me that slap him with your hand back down. Give him a back.
Me nah give him with so center, me I give him the back of my hand.
Back of your hand, because no man not supposed to own you them way they not come out with them look fenke thing they not. Well, that's so she say. So she said that yes, right? So the thing not sound convinced. That not sound convinced.
She said, "Timmy man."
Jano.
If Miss Long Island say Kevin a fear and me come on and say Kevin a me.
Yeah.
Me not say so Kevin say.
You not say. I saw him say. You are say. You own up on your thing straight and thing. You not say a third party say the other person say. You are say what you are say. Because I saw it go and think so you are gonna say it straight. So the fact say him not say it straight and all these things or whatever, the things sound mucky, no?
Mucky.
John.
Mucky. And she talk about village liar, a good thing. Village liar is not a good thing. When somebody call you village liar, it's a bad thing.
Yeah.
But too much liar, they who turn liar. All kind of things.
Village liar is somebody who go around in everybody business and a chat everybody business and a judge and a chat everybody in a people business and whatever. Them careless, village liar, them careless and tan bad. Yeah.
Careless and tan bad.
Yeah.
A multi-talented, say her skin thick, but it's thin.
Oh.
You know what I saw Raga show go on. You understand? She don't take things personal.
Yeah, and she don't know say them child and them thing there was like a be a fun and play and carry a drop and one another. Then she take it to me like she say, oh, me have a writ against you, because you never defend me, you make them done me and whatever, this and that. I mean, if I defend myself, and I say, no, B, I turn around the thing, man.
And she if you come back on with a punchline.
Okay, I see.
And you if teach her nothing.
Yeah. See that.
And what a way she have so much talent, and she have 9 subjects, only remember 3. And she remember the tiling, and she remember if you put on the zinc, and she know if it's, hey, let me tell her something, you see tiling, Raga? Yeah. Tiling not easy because it's real Tyler.
Yeah.
I make mistake. Real
it's
Tyler.
Very difficult. Very difficult.
multi-talented.
It take a whole heap of skill, even just to broke. Like if you adjust the tile in one little corner, just for know how to broke it so you not spoil the entire tile and whatever is a hard.
And them something there.
Right.
Tiling not easy.
No man, it's a hard skill. And you see that flashing something there? You see how it looks simple when them do it? It's not simple, you know?
It will drop off, man, yo.
It drop off right off and whatever you flash and nothing and go on, you have to know how to flash cement.
Right
and them things that one.
That's not easy neither. You see, me that gear a ape and the lay in the black because you can't lay the black leading.
No, you can't. Well, if you make it a line, it easy.
Suppose one a little thing, you can't come out a line.
Right. Fix it. Right.
Mm-hmm.
No, but the tiling especially, that difficult. And then she said she can do a whole heap of other things and whatever. You know?
Put on zinc on whole top. All kind of fitting.
No, but you make a good point. How she remember all of them something there, right? How she can remember so many things what she say she's talented with. But you have 9 subjects and can only remember 3.
Remember 3.
It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make no sense. And then, hold on, don't hear tonight. She say, you know, and I mean, say it is she say, her memory and her brain is something like, you know, remember one time she said, like, she not forget nothing and she not miss nothing and not forget nothing. You know, remember?
It's like computer.
Computer
can mash up more time.
Well, but at that, she says, so basically, she not forget nothing. That is the point where she make. So, who have 9 subjects and you can only remember 3?
She.
That don't make sense.
She.
That don't make sense at all. That don't make sense. You can't imagine how somebody say, I travel to 9 countries, but I only remember 3 out of the 9. It just don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense neither.
Yeah. And I like you say,
no sense.
you know, and I like you say, I did have 9 M&Ms, I remember the color. Anybody go 9 countries, you gotta remember the 9 countries them.
The 9 countries.
Because traveling is such a profound thing, like a big thing. It's the same thing with subjects. If you have 9 subjects, you can't say you have 9 subjects. And you barely reload 3.
English, whatever.
No. You spend so long studying for the subjects them. It's not even say you pass them, you know. At the years where you spend a study the 9 subject them make you day in, day out, make you can't forget the subject them. So you can't. Somebody can have 9 subjects and say, I only remember 3. I can't remember the other 6 right now, yeah, man, allow me.
You're right, because number 2 again, she said be an Irish spring in her jaw, only the green one she remember.
Yeah, and what was wrong with that again?
Because the green one is so popular, she can't tell us only the green one.
Because she said
the green one.
Some different color thing and whatever. And the green one she remember and thing. And so you say basically her talk no straight, no?
No.
Her talk
She
no balance.
She not talented at all. She only have the name, she not at all. And Raga, last week, Tuesday night, I listen to RJR.
Yeah.
And I ask if one man come on, you know, and I talk like the what I give people too much time and this hear what the dirty man say. Guess now?
Me no know what you say.
Mr. Dirty man, you see? Any station you depend just keep your business deck so alone. The dirty man say, them think a Ragashanti program, me say me lift up off of my bed, you see if I could have pull him through the radio.
Well, before him say that, where did I complain? Where did I complain about? When you said Tuesday night for RJR, where did I complain about? Where did I? Yeah.
Like him must say, the who give the people them too much time and this and them talk all kind of sitting like them not talk what the the topic.
Right.
And then the little dirty man come out and say they must think a Ragashanti. Raga me did lay down on my pillow and me lift up
Yeah.
I want to the man, I'm not so why my call Raga name for say you see I listen to you.
Them a listen, man. You know, see, I start.
Only dirty people out there, you know.
But listen, you have 23 all island stations in Jamaica, you know, 23, right? You have 7 other regional stations, right? Right?
Yeah.
So when them do them something, anytime I show I go on good, you know, I start them look at something and start, you know. I them look at something and start.
Exactly.
So out of all of that and whatever, plus what they on the into all kind of something, I might show him a think about, I might show him a talk about. And yes, man, me like it, man, when them beat me, man. Call up my name and beat me, I love it.
Mr. Raga, the way me fly up you, that thing says some, you know, like the settee where you press the side and the something lift up with your foot.
The what?
The settee.
The settee. Oh, you press the thing on the
Yeah,
side.
where you press
and the thing raise up your foot. Yeah, and it raise up your foot. Yeah.
Come click up on the bed, you know.
Yeah.
It's so warm to them people. Yeah, then the pan say, you know, just why you have to say stop call the man name.
Name, I like when they.
Me, Raga me the all over pan radio station.
Me know, right.
Me now go call Dick Tom and Harry name pan no. Me go to say what me have to say pan a one station.
Exactly.
Me go to say.
Exactly.
You understand me?
Yeah.
You have to call your name pan nobody else station. People, we have one bleachers program where we bleach at night time in Ragashanti from Saturday to Sunday morning. Saturday night, 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
To Sunday morning, we call it the bleachers program. What heap with it? People, all at spicy call me, hear me over there and them something there.
Right, all right.
And she are listening and them something. And one man call in and I tell the what, how, Hillian to be careful what she attack on Ragashanti show.
Allah, you serious?
As a God live it.
Well, this is one that show?
Yes.
And him say,
bleach pan, we call it the bleachers.
The bleachers, right. And him call a show and I say you for careful, whatever. So him a listen what you say over your son gone on.
Him there right now, him there over here right now.
Him there over where?
Over upon your station, no, I listen.
But and him call the other show and I say you need to be careful what you call and say upon my show.
Yes, because maybe true me go say animal can get go.
And them something
there me talk of things there.
Bruh.
And the next show and tell them say me a war ring.
Yeah.
And them something they say me nah go get no ring if I saw me a go on for your show.
No, but I like that kind of cross-fertilization, you know, because I have always told people, I say people, no found no one this and that. I said creativity knows no boundaries. Enough is there for everybody. We cannot exhaust potential. Potential has no limits. The definition of potential is such that there is no limit, you know. You can expand, right? So me like that something there. I always live good at a radio station anywhere me there, you know, whatever. From there, Jamaica, you know. Me all when management has said, me big up people from other radio station, you know, me big up people all the while and thing and whatever. Because, listen to me, if you're good, you're good. You can't find another Ron Mushet. You can't find another Barry G. You can't find another Richie B. You can't find another Ragashanti. You can't find another, you know, Ronnie Tweets, right? There can never be another Ragashanti, right? There can never be another Ronnie Tweets. There can never be another Miss Kitty. If you're good, you're good, right? So you don't have to worry about anybody. Just stay in your lane and do your thing. If you take a shot, you take a shot. Then they take a shot. So we are worried about other people find them something. Big up other people. Because you can't be them, them can't be you.
True.
Them are going to do for them thing and shine and get for them reward. You do your thing and shine and get your reward. What feel, nobody can take it. If you're good, you're good.
Can't take it from you.
You understand, right?
Raga?
Yeah.
One next time, you know, me and so rest in peace. When you used to do daytime program.
Yeah.
Then time there, I'm not, me used to hear Fana over there part,
Yeah.
first me hear Fana.
Yeah.
And then me hear him over you and him a tell you say, him eat and them something there.
Yeah.
Tid Raga, by the time if you tune in a night pan pastor program is a woman pastor. Me hear Fana dear program a saying eat on the table.
But you know, say me for a long time ever big up Reverend Dumas and dear pastor
Me know,
whatever.
me
Yeah.
tell him.
Yeah, man.
Me
I'm a
tell him.
general
And he
that
say,
man.
make Ragashanti go on.
Yeah.
Me tell him. That's my boss. That's you know.
Oh, you mean Reverend Dumas and thing.
That's my gentleman.
Them Reverend Dumas set it for people like me. You understand? The man they set it for we and we for be thankful and grateful and thing. But,
Yes,
but big up yourself, me take some other call here.
Yeah, man. Blessings, Raga, and bless up your listeners, them.
It goes some man.
Yard and abroad.
It goes some man. Respect,
Bless.
man. Like I see you. Yeah. Next caller, Kevin Senan. Hello.
Yes, Raga, me there. I'm not going to bed yet.
Oh, how old is multi-talented?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
When she come in and come down, tell her if I go look one skill and top 9 and 3 at 12. She can't come off of that now. Every time she call her, she have to talk about 9 subject and a member 3. Tell her if I come off of that now.
Well,
That gets stale now.
um,
And man come for uniform and set up this and set up that. Them they're foolish talk, man. You can't man in my house them hours a night and I come talk about this and that. And so the man say, what she say the man say? In Gary?
him say, so she say, the man to him did say, so she say first. You know?
So she say.
Oh, the man that? The man that?
I miss him, man.
Yeah, man, but I true, you did say so she said before. So she said, true, you never own her up.
No, then if somebody, if a woman own up you. All right.
No, man, that is okay. That is okay. Raga yata, you know them things that bother me. Go on,
Raga,
yeah.
If a woman own up you,
Yeah.
and you believe and you say that's what she said, then if a woman says she love you, I know what she say.
No, but what the people them must say is in the situation where we're there. If you know, give it that them must say she not have nobody and a man done pan her and she can't get nobody. They must say in that situation there, if I did really your woman, you'd have just say, yeah, I'm my woman that I'm a lover, I'm a rate her and thing or whatever, you know.
The reason why me say it that way because I true she attacked so me say she say my kind of talk that.
Yeah, but do you see where they are coming from, where they must say?
Yeah, man.
By referencing her,
sure.
you never explicitly say it yourself. You just say what she said, but you know, what them ears that you not talk and I just say what you say. What you say.
But if me even say it next week, I may say, yeah, man, I'm new man. Probably sure I can't say a lie material and a uniform come for so. You understand?
Well, it probably,
anyway,
she probably could have still said that thing.
Anyway, you take it.
Yeah.
She'd have find some excuse.
So, yeah, okay. Because if she not believe, she just not believe, yeah.
Our time now, know what, 11:30 almost.
Well, in a Jamaica, 11:30.
So,
12:30 up here in New York. Almost 12:30 in New York. But yeah.
Yeah, almost 11:30 out here.
Yeah,
no?
right.
Tell her say uniform not done fit tonight. So if she want keep up with the way she can, yeah, understand?
What you say, uniform? Nah, don't make tonight. Say if you late too cute. Man. If she want come in in the uniform making and things, she just hold there because a whole heap of uniform are going tonight. Yeah. What you say she can't? Yeah, she can't come in for the 3-way call, no. And come get. I meant to hear the uniform and soon hear the niggle a juking at the uniform, no. Yeah. When your niggle a juke and a soap multi-talented uniform, no. How alien too cute know about? Alien too cute, they can jump in on the call, and that the general say. Since you did a chat about uniform, the general say, since you say uniform, well, uniform, nah, stop make tonight. A whole heap of uniform I go sew in at the house tonight. And that the general, because him have the eagle. You understand? Alien too cute. Since you chat up, jumping on the trees, and that the general. Yo, John, we love Jamaicans. Jamaicans, we love Jamaicans. All right, big up yourself here. Big up yourself here. Yo.
Me love you. Me love you long time from you. I do certain things on radio. Me love you long
Give
time.
thanks. Give
Raga.
thanks. Give
For me,
thanks.
a young little girl. Me love you, Raga. Me not stop.
No, well, I'm not on radio so long, you know. Remember, say, what you mean, young little girl?
For me, young girl in my 20s, me know Raga.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
All right, well, okay.
I hear you, Raga. Guess what me go do? One of the day me go call you. Me don't know if you can deal with me off the ear. Me make you go up on Facebook and see the type of woman we are deal with.
Oh, all right, then we will set up that.
But me no want give out my identity and everything on radio, on public.
All right.
Yeah,
all right.
So me talk about.
Anthony, if you should go, yeah, I should name me here.
What? No, send her a picture to Elaine, too cute. Don't at up her head. Don't make you see. Make you see multi-talented with a Miss Kitty body. Don't.
She gonna look alive.
Yeah, make you see multi-talented with a Miss Kitty body.
Tell her to put on her sister things and sell 2 grills for her sister. I put money in her sister pocket and want to see. So let's go up in one store for herself and come off of me and leave me alone.
See it there. All right, bless up on yourself here.
Big up yourself.
Don't say another word, man. Yo, I'm going to make some uniform now, my general. Put on your eagle for multi-talented. Stab up our uniform with your eagle, yes, my general. A them for no. Make some hole in that eagle. In the uniform there. Yo, John, we're going to break people.
The Bridge 99 FM, keeping the Caribbean connected.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling and thing, you see it. Back in the juggling Kevin, all the things there. Can we have up here? You have done the give me a call down there. Can we have call up at USA too? But yeah, give me a call from Jamaica, yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.
Pleasant good night.
Yeah.
Miss Lady. Me never call you drunko. Miss Lady. Me say hummingbird. No make drunko feel important. Miss Lady.
Hold on. Your voice sound muffled, you know.
Voice sound muffled?
Yeah, like you're under bed and thing with sheet under bed with sheet.
Hi. Out the door, me there, me nearby them, me both stab them.
Yeah, but your voice. How come you never call we from inside our place yet, at Spice?
Hi. Usually my residence, the cell phone not pick up so good. So me can't see in my house and call you because me stay in my house and call you before I go up on speaker.
Oh, because your phone not pick up good in at the house. Okay, I understand.
Exactly.
Okay, so you have to come outside. That's why you always outside with the bullfrog them. All right then.
Thank you very much. So Miss Lady, bad mind me over.
No, so what you did say now, hummingbird, what about? Come in, know in the car.
Hummingbird no make drunker feel important and me a hummingbird.
But you see, that is a saying. Hummingbird no make drunker feel important. And I knew it was something like that. Never. Because you're not like that. You're not going to call her junker. You're not. Right. So, but you shall beat me and I say, I never hear right and you never remember exactly what you say. I defend the thing and I say, no, she never call you junker. She use it in a creative way. Hummingbird no make junker feel important.
Exactly. Do you remember the first time since the Anbridge and when me called you and said to you, one man a beat up and a many station in Jamaica when they say, I listen to me, they say, hummingbird and make drunker feel important.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when she come talk about Barbies and road fly and village lawyer, Miss Lady, are you? Because they were young boy, you're my young boy in a year old age. Miss Lady, me a do not sit to me take old man.
Well, all you know said a man they were call with her a young boy. All you know that.
Me hear the voice. And you see the man not one her up. The man say, so she say. Because number one, the man, she say, yes, I got me woman, and me this and me that, the woman, the man say, so she say, she a woman.
But but when him call back, him say, nah, man, I saw the thing set or whatever. And the man say, Wally pa uniform I go make tonight. Wally pa uniform, so I go put it on her tonight.
When me down the road, me not listen, I walk, come put me rear up on bridge.
Yeah.
My friend calling, and my friend that time, me never hear everything what my good friend say.
Yeah.
Right?
But
So, let's sit down and plan up and say, guess what? Me could call back and say, yes, no. Me not have to cope up nothing with no man.
So are you this a man done panner? Are you this a man done panner?
Of course, man done panner.
Okay, all right, because I was correct.
Young boy to say, she come with a young boy to say, Sammy, you're my man. No, it's not that man.
No, but hold on. Why you believe that she can't have a man? Me not understand. Why she can't?
Me not say she can't have a man, but the way she big and bold and mighty, push her to use a man to say yes, because she coop up something from a long time. If she don't call, so come call and say she have a man.
Oh, right? Planting. Oh, yeah, okay.
Planting,
plan
right?
up thing and
My friend never done come off fire with just 9 subs because you only member 3. Miss Lady, my friend have a life. Miss Lady, my friend entrepreneur, my friend have a own thing a go on.
Yeah.
Come talk about it. She's supposed to sell 2 grill because you put. And the put can't go through the grill, Miss Lady. You're out of order. Well, you just say you use Irish Spring, you go member 1 because that one is popular all over the world, the greenback one. Well, yes, I'm bright and out of order. I can't shoes me wear. Wide width. Me love heels.
What size shoes you wear?
Size 10.
Okay. For that little body woman like you, a size 10 shoes you wear?
Size 10 shoes me wear. Me can't wear them smaller. Size 10. Size 10 wide width. I love heels, little lady. That my instep I come to wear high shoes right up the sock flat. That me wear small heels, the instep hurt me.
Okay.
Miss Lady, when you come about say, you come address me. You can't address me. You can't stamp me because you never see. Andrew said nobody at airport come meet me. You notice what Andrew got find where you just see me with side of Andrew? Miss Lady, you ever see me on TV? You can't talk no when me not hear yet.
See
talk,
there.
Miss Lady.
See it there.
When you come talk, when you come address and you come done. I did not say you're drunk. Come and say, oh, my
man. You never said that.
Drunk feel important. And you not listen good. My friend attack and you never listen good. Miss Lady, you no Tyler. Miss Lady, you no Mason. Miss Lady, you no plumber. Miss Lady, anybody can use one picker and cutlass because me use it too.
Okay.
So when you come talk and I come say, you have to talk good. You have to talk bright and beautiful. Miss Lady, you don't look like sunflowers. Miss Lady, you don't look like 10 o'clock and you don't bloom like morning glory.
Oh, she don't look like sunflower. She don't look like 10 o'clock and she don't bloom like morning glory.
Morning glory.
Well,
rather than 3 flowers or 3 top flowers.
3 top flowers. Don't. You have one flowers named 10 o'clock?
Yeah, every 10 o'clock it come up and it go down back after 10 o'clock. And now come back up to 10 o'clock the next day.
All right. Now say another word. Me I bung some other call here.
Yes, my friend, Miss Lady, go away. I'm going to put on young boy and go look your size. Prezi, before I leave.
No, Prezi gone. Prezi have to leave for the last one. He have to go work, Prezi work for the last one. Should them change up the time. No, should them change up the time and him have another work for him. Because Prezi is a hard working youth. So Kevin down at Jamaica and manage the thing from Jamaica.
Yeah, because we are mates. So we talk to Kevin already, but me not tell President to sit down.
Okay.
Don't go for no food. Don't make your order him.
All right. No, you have to talk when him come back on early one time. I make you tell him early cause, him not gonna make me give him big foot, Okay, all right.
all right, my man. Me I go and go listen to you. Me I come out of the bullshag them.
All right, then I say a word, boo. Cool. All right. Yo! All right, let me see what I go on here so now. We did have some call up here US, but they look like them call they got. Kevin OST, okay, hello. Yeah, greetings. Bring in the call. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Night, my boss.
What you say? Cool, man, what you say?
Me there, man. Hey,
Uh-huh.
I really size 10 down underwear.
Oh, Atan Spice, yeah, size 10 she wear. So why you have a problem with that? what? No, why that sweet just a size 10 she wear? Why? No, but it sounds like when you hear a beer laughing, you start when you hear a size 10 she wear. Well, a voice that sound like a size 10 foot voice, no?
Yo, me say me couldn't manage.
No, but why is it funny if a woman wears size 10? How?
I couldn't have no shoes.
What you mean you couldn't have no shoes? Me not understand.
Man, every one of my shoes, them shall go put her foot them in her sit. Me not nonetheless. Next thing my friend them go see her in night and say, you know?
A size 10 you wear too?
But if you're a woman if you carry them size foot them, man.
What you mean? No, but what you mean? That woman
wide width.
And wide width? What you mean? And you know what it? Suppose you see her, she's slim body, you know, she's slim, you know. So what you say? Woman no fi carry size 10 foot with wide width?
Woman no fi carry them size foot them a boy.
No, me can't agree with that. Me can't agree. I am sure there's a lot of women out there with size 10 foot. With what?
Yo. God, yo.
Jaja. Radam.
Me there I go enjoy the show still, you know.
All right, family. Big up yourself. Here, sir.
Hey, but the size 10 the whole be still.
All right, Papa. Now say a word. Here.
Oh,
okay. All right. Let me take a call up here in New York because... Yeah. Hello, Carla. Alright, hold on there. Hello? I don't think they might hear me, you know. Alright, I'm try. My bag of Carla come in up here, but them not hear me. Hold on there. I wonder if I did put up. No, man, it on, man. So, them not. Hello? Alright, hear it then.
Alright, Raga.
Yeah, greeting. Turn off your radio behind you. I'm over from it, yeah?
Hold on. Yeah. Raga.
Wagwan.
What? We just come on. We just come on because I was sleeping.
Yeah.
But we just want to ask you something.
Yeah.
Kevin, too cute. We can't bother with the too cute business. But anyway, it is Kevin's wife.
Kevin wife this.
I'm calling you because, yes, when he's spending birthday with me last
Yeah.
Anyway, September 10th. But anyway, I want to make you know that you and Kevin have problems.
You and Kevin have problems? Well, let me make sure I see him face over. Yeah. All right, so you and Kevin have problems. What kind of problems you and Kevin have right now?
I mean, I really want to put everything out there, you know.
All right. But put where you can put. Put where you can put.
Okay, the ugly cute. We called last time, we push out ourselves through the grill. Especially if a belly is on herself, your sister. She, after the show...
Red Hills, sister, Red Hills.
Well, I don't know Jamaica, so...
Yeah, right.
So, this is what's happening. I'm having a feud with my man because of this ghost voice girl.
Really?
Understand?
Really?
Yes.
Tell me, what is going on? Make talk to Mas Raga. Let me see if I can help on talk. Yeah.
Talk to Mas Raga, all right.
Yeah, let me see, yeah.
No, all right. He told me that too cute a thief for her sister money and I give him things.
Oh.
I don't take care of man. Buy him ticket and everything and stuff like that, you know.
Yeah.
And when he came here, he did everything, you understand?
Right. Hello? But a New York share call from and call pan credit. It look like our credit done, but a New York share call from and call with credit. Kevin, your foreign woman, a New York share call from and call pan credit. She not have one phone plan. She don't have like Verizon or T-Mobile or something. Or what? I was just say, Alien too cute a thief for her sister money and I'm like, oh, I think your credit done a while ago.
No, my credit time done now.
Oh, okay.
So I just got disconnected.
Okay, yes.
I'm not going to stay long still.
Yeah. So what you say, Kevin? So what caused a problem between you and Kevin now? Yeah. So you say Alien too cute a thief for her sister shop money?
She's not too cute.
Oh.
She has a ghost voice and she's not cute.
She have a ghost voice. So,
Yes,
so
and
Kevin
she
tell
is
us she a
keeping
thief
her
for her sister money
money.
and I give Kevin?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Kevin told me that she's thieving her sister's money and she's mining him.
I mine him with it.
And now, the problem is because me not go mine him now.
Yeah.
You know, him a show me whole shoulder.
Oh, I'm show your bad face because through
Alien,
you
you
now
know,
send on
you
the
know,
money
you
and
know,
thing and
matter.
Alien a send on the
Yeah,
money
it no
down.
matter to me.
Yeah.
Right. It no matter to me. Me can't stay by myself.
Then hold on, when me I say then
I'm in love
hold on,
with
you know
him.
can then just send on a little thing for Kevin then man and whatever. You know see your hold on, you know see your Kevin not listen,
No.
look how Kevin locks neat. You think about accident, money have to spend on the locks and whatever, you know. So well, Kevin away you dead we laugh. Kevin are dead. Yo, look how Kevin locks neat. Money have to spend on the natty in the car. Me sure you playing a Kevin natty when you and him a sort out. No. Eh?
No, but what I'm trying to say to you is that I don't mind men. I have 3 boys.
Yeah.
And a girl.
Yeah.
Understand what I say?
Yeah.
And I am not going to put my money in a Kevin.
No, but man mind woman all the while.
do.
Man mind woman all the while. So if you love a man, why you can't spend a little thing on him?
The one. I'm not going to do it. I am not going to do it, Raga.
No, but it's all like you mean. You mean?
I've given him things before.
You give him things
No,
before?
no,
Why you
I've
give him?
given
Why you
things
give Kevin?
before.
Why you give him things? Eh?
Why rather you go through too much right now?
No, but when you say give him things, you can't. Hold on.
I'm trying to get him back, you know.
No, man. When you say give him things, you can't. Hold on, man. When you say give him things, you can't refer to like one little mint ball. You know, when I look red and white mint ball, has some Wrigley's and thing. That is nothing and thing.
I one nice Louis Vuitton. Okay. I bought him a Louis Vuitton loafer.
Okay, no, that's a good something.
I bought him I bought him a Louis Vuitton loafer shoes.
What?
I bought him a nice, yes, I did. And he has it. It's brown and black.
What? That's a
Yeah,
Kevin a roll?
little-
LV!
yes.
LV! Louis V! Louis Vuitton!
And I know, yes, LV. And I know Ghost Voice.
Yeah.
Can't buy those.
No, then
You know
fear
what I'm
no,
saying?
cause Louis V money and Chang
we
money
went to
and thing,
Dominican
yeah.
Republic together twice.
Yeah.
We've been to South Africa. We went to Santon, South Africa, Johannesburg once.
What? When you go Johannesburg
You
or South
understand what I'm
Africa, a big trip that. Where else you go?
Yes.
Where else you
Yes,
go?
we went to South Africa, Johannesburg once.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay?
Yeah.
So let me tell you something, man. I'm heartbroken. I'm going to call you off here because right now I'm just heartbroken. So
Yeah,
me
kind
talk,
of
me
rough,
talk,
like
me talk
Kevin.
to you.
Yeah, all right then. I
Yeah.
think. Yeah, all right then. Cool.
Yeah, me talk to you.
Yeah, man.
All right then. Mm-hmm.
Boy, the thing serious, the thing serious. She said Kevin tell her, say Alien too cute a thief her sister shop money and I'm Alien too cute. Why you do it? Why you do it? Why you do it, Goody? Why you do it? Why you thief your sister shop money and I mind Kevin and I fix up Kevin natty and thing and whatever and I spend money on Kevin. Alien too cute. Why you do it? Oh God, yo. Yo, if anybody wanna understand what I go on, or they just understand the joke and the thing, and nobody take it too serious. Hello? 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 Kevin, somebody there. Hello? Yeah, man. Hello? Hello? Me not hear nobody, Oh, here we go. Yeah. Greetings. Yeah.
No, close, Raga.
Alien, why you do it? Why you thief your sister shop money and I mind, Kevin?
Raga,
Eh?
no thief, no gun. You know, say, before Kevin got work, she a call Kevin number. You know, say Kevin Blackar. Before Kevin leave out of the house,
Yeah.
she call down his number.
Yeah.
And him block her. And me never tell him to block her.
Yeah.
Or nothing. You understand me? Because me
Yeah.
love when my man have fun. Me now watch my man.
See it
and
there.
Kevin block her. And I say, what happened to that me, man? And she not love me. Miss Lady, Miss Long Island, me and Kevin are built together. So me not care about the Louis and the Chewy and the Nui. We are built together. Louis and the Chewy and the Nui can come after.
Yeah.
Building together.
You're building together. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Building
That's
together.
all me have to say for the
Yeah.
night.
So well on. I like she tell Pan Kevin because I don't know Kevin for I said him something there about say you thief your sister money and I mind him and all them something there.
Let me tell you something.
Eh.
He get peer and guess what Kevin share with me and me share. It's my man.
There, it's
so
your
if you
man.
don't want to give me all paycheck, it's my man.
That's right, it's your man. So if you want to give him a thing, you give him a thing when you get paid. Nothing wrong with
man.
that. What you
We're
think?
supposed to share together.
But she said she go Johannesburg and make big trip with Kevin and thing and she did buy him the Louis V and a loafer.
I care zero, me and Kevin building together.
Building together.
Yes. So I not care about the Louis and the Chewy
and the Nui and the Kui and the Dewey.
That will come after.
After. Okay.
Building
Yeah.
together.
And she sounds
And
stressed
right
out
now,
because she says she and Kevin in a problem, you know, so she sounds stressed out. So it look like the black where Kevin Black are, right?
And the black what Kevin Black are,
the black, yeah, the black and mash up her end.
black.
Yes.
And me I got boots Kevin not to pull the black because she a go too hard.
She a go too hard, she a get
Yeah.
too bright, she a get too
Yeah,
plural.
Because me tell Kevin, you know, anything you want, do you understand me? Me not watch no man.
Nah, what's some
Raga.
because you're secure and you know your thing locked, no? Yeah.
Yeah, but me I tell Kevin, don't pull the black there.
Don't pull the black, yeah.
The black for good.
The black fig good. Then no eat.
No eat. Yes, I'm afraid.
All right, my friend. All right, big up yourself. People, boy, when you make the thing nice, me tell people, say when radio nice, me love my work, you know, because me I benefit from it too and I enjoy it and thing. And I love the flavor, I understand the flavor of the thing, the way we have fun over here. But like that something there. You understand that's how we have fun and thing, and sometimes some people run in and understand the meds and all these things and get it confused and twisted. It's all good. People take care of themselves and thing and do remember, say, me I go home now, me I go edit up that show yeah, and put it up on YouTube on my channel, Ragashanti TV. All right, it's going to be available 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Boom, you see it show out. Come edit up and set it and thing and it come out 9 o'clock. And thing, all right, so you just look out for that and you can listen to the entire show. And do remember, Bridge 99 FM, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 10 o'clock until midnight. 10 o'clock until midnight, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 10 o'clock until midnight. And do remember, so on Tuesday, Thursday, we have 2 other shows right here on the bridge in the same time slot. On Tuesdays, it's all about Carleen, the dancehall queen. You know, same 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Someone want to listen, my friend. Carleen, big up yourself, you know, because you're good as same way. Enough of them pop down like some old Leland Chuck and all them something there and can't beat out and joker. And Carleen, look there, you go and same way and murder people around here. Carleen, big up your good self. And me ear say you sort out up there like that. Me get from good source, Carleen, say you dash out. I know not the normal. Carleen, people in the call. Carleen and tell Carleen say Ragashanti here say I sort out turn up. Me I say I'll know that I miss Carleen sort out. I'll know that I miss Carleen sort out. Be the man. Me here say I'll know you're dead over Carleen sort out. Be the man. Me here say you prefer Carleen sort out over the angel sort out. Is that me here? When you don't come beat me. Is that me ear? Me ear say Beenie Man prefer Colleen sort out over the Angel sort out. Is that me ear? When you say Beenie Man, ask him. Right? When you say Beenie Man, ask him. When you say Colleen and Colleen show, ask her. If I true, say Beenie Man, listen to me now, man. Me leave that one there alone here, sir. And do remember, so upon the Thursday is all about a thing called the fix. Right? Long time them are juggling, you know, me love them thing and whatever, you know, that local interview program, the fix. Right, yes, upon the Bridge 99 FM, 10 to 12. That slot they are going with beer something. People for know the levels there, right? It of course be a bad word. Not literally, but figuratively, meaning it are going good, right? It's just a street talk. When something turn up, you say it of course be a bad word. Like if a shirt look good, you say, John, with a shirt, they turn up, it of course be a bad word. You understand? So we don't nobody call and cuss no bad word, because enough goes no bad word and thing. Right? And I don't know, say Ragashanti today on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 10 to 12, upon the Bridge 99 FM. Take care of yourself, people, and thing. And do remember, go over to YouTube, Ragashanti TV, and subscribe to the channel, Ragashanti TV. Also, click the bell. You're going to see one bell over there. Click the bell. It's just for notifications. So if you're PNP and you're under pressure because the party now do well right, you know, if you're a comrade, big up on a conference where they still click the bell for notifications and all these things and whatever. Take care of yourself, people, and whatever. No? And do remember, say, every Friday at 1 o'clock on Ragashanti TV, we have the realest Jamaican talk show. I think named Free Up and thing and this other thing there, all right? Kevin, big up yourself, you know. What a way you go to Johannesburg and do everything make you know, say you travel go South Africa. No, eh? Johannesburg, Kevin, oh, you move so hard. Louisville, loafer and beer things. No, sir. Star. I want some people. Brap. All right, people, out the road, you know, bless upon yourself and thing. Take care of you and yours. Stay safe. Watch on the head back. Don't kill us out the thing. And just go and build, yeah? All right, protection. Soon on Monday. Outer road.
The Bridge 99 FM, keeping the Caribbean connected.
Bridging the Caribbean gaps across the globe on social media. We are Facebooking.